Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for making that click. I am happy to have you all with me. So guys, feel free to come in as we wait on other persons to join us so we can continue, or should I say we can start the live. I'm so happy to have you all here with me. People may say I'm talking to myself in the first minute, but I don't mind. Thank you very much for joining me, wherever you are. Welcome. I appreciate you all, and for those thumbs up, thank you. I appreciate it. Is that Young DK? Hey, Young DK, how are you? Welcome. Thank you very much for coming in. It's good to have you here. Thank you. Thank you for coming in. Oh. So guys, I received some comments from some persons on Instagram saying that the questions I have, some of them are complicated. So I went ahead and I found some simpler ones for you all to do. I don't know what CXC has planned for us guys, but I think we need to have an idea of how to manipulate the questions we get. And so that was the reason for me bringing those questions. But since persons are saying the questions are too complicated, I am going back to where we were giving simple questions. All right, so I hope this is simple enough for you and that you're getting the practice. Why does it look so lean? Then give me a second so I can straighten this. This looks too lean, man. All right, this look better. Let's see. Yeah, look kind of better. Look a bit better. Yes, guys, persons are saying the questions I have are too complicated, and so I brought some simpler ones. I hope you're familiar with these. So I want to say well done to the persons who did the paper what that no paper 3 yesterday. I heard that you guys got from measurement and pie chart and some other stuff on its statistics. I hope you guys did your best. If you did the paper, I hope you did your best. Okay. As I always tell you guys, practice now and smile later. So put in all the work from now, guys. So later you can have a good summer. The summer can start after this exam period is over. If persons are moving on to college, you know you're gonna have to prepare for college, but if not, you're just doing exams so you can have less at the end to do. Still, practice now and smile later. So yes, guys, thank you very much for coming in to you all. Thank you for coming in. If you're here for the math, feel free to go ahead and start the question. If you're not, that's just fine as well. Thank you very much for your support. So the question you're seeing in front of you guys has to do with you evaluating the whatever is under the root sign. And you know that you need a to find the number that you multiply by itself to give you 49 and 25, 36 and 16. You can split the root sign to the numerator and the denominator if you want to. And you can also do it at once. So it's up to you. So find the root of the numerator and the denominator. You'll be getting a fraction, after which you simplify the fraction by subtraction, since as they are subtracting from each other. You go ahead and you do that. All right, guys, if you have any question, feel free to say it and I'll address you accordingly. So yes, guys, thank you very much for coming. If you're just coming, welcome, welcome. I was saying earlier that some persons are saying the questions I have are too challenging, so I found some simpler ones. I hope this will be useful to you all as you prepare for your final exam. And I hope you're studying, guys, not just for maths, but for everything. I hope you're studying as well. So I see young DK is sending an answer. Let's give it a few more minutes, guys, for some other persons to come in. But in the meantime, if you want to talk to me, you can talk to me. You're not being forced to. If you want to talk to me, you can talk to me while the others come in. Let me share this in the meantime. So share. Yes, sir. Hey, Mitchell, how was the exam yesterday? Welcome, welcome, welcome. How was the exam yesterday, Mitchell? I had a community post, but only a few one person responded to the community post. How was the exam yesterday? How was the exam for you? How did you find it? Was it easy? Was it okay? Manageable? Challenging? How was the exam for you? Very hard? Why you say very hard? Which area was hard for you? Which area was hard for you, Michelle? Hey, Trinidadian Princess, how are you doing? Did you do the paper 3 yesterday? How was the exam for you, Trinidadian Princess? How was the exam for you? Nothing we studied was on the exam. No, you can't say that. No, no, no. We studied about measurement and it was on the exam, of course, Mitchell. Measurement, cylinder, sphere, of course. Hey, Idris, welcome, welcome. No, Mitchell, maybe you weren't at the live that I had. I had some of measurement we had with cone. We had, of course, we did those, some of those, something similar to what came on the exam yesterday. The cylinder, the sphere, but me never study. How much joke I make? It was easy, honestly, but me never study. But guys, we did some questions. They bring you questions though, yeah. But it's not really new. It's a combination of questions. So you have like sphere. You had about a cone with the shaded region up there. So we did something like that on the channel as well. We did some about cylinder. You guys weren't at the live stream when we were doing those questions. Hmm? Hey, Ricey, how are you doing? The first question made me feel very Oi, fling on the paper. What was the first question about? What was it about? Hmm? Today one was nice for me. Oh, you did Geo today? Oh, it was good. I'm happy to hear that. I am happy to hear that, Idris. I am so happy to hear that. Well done, well done, well done. That's the kind of vibes I want to hear about the paper three, but persons are not saying that. I don't understand. So I said, that's it was good. Nearly every single question was repeated. You mean for the Geo? Joanna Dale, hey Miss Ken, thank you very much for all you do with the paper three. The concept you explain could be used and finish that. And I use them. Oh, Joanna, yeah, welcome, welcome. I'm happy I was able to help you in some form. Welcome, welcome. As you all know, I'm not affiliated with CXC guys, so what they're gonna come with, I don't know. Okay, so I just give you a broad spectrum. They were expecting the paper. They were expecting it the way what? They was expecting it the way you did the paper. What do you mean the way I did the paper? What do you mean by that, young DK? I don't even remember. Paper one is going to be lit. Yeah, I want it to be lit. Like super easy for you all. So like sweep it over. But young DK, what do you mean? The way you did it? What? Expecting the way you did the paper. Young DK, what are you talking about? I don't know what you're saying. I don't understand what you're saying. But yeah, guys, I'm happy you guys passed through that. All right, so don't stay and focus on the past. Move on to the future. All right. It was something with a cylinder and a circle. Yeah, cylinder and a sphere. But we did something. We did questions similar to those on the live stream. The way you structure the question. Young DK, that could never be possible, young DK. I told you all, I don't work with CXC, young DK, so you can't be saying that. No. I told you all from before, I don't work with CXC. I'm a CXC teacher, but I don't work with them. And the question are structured from past paper questions, so how could they want it to look like how I do it? I'm not CXC, so how can you be saying that, young DK? Well, the persons who are thinking like that, that really makes no sense because I don't work at CXC, so they couldn't be expecting me to give them what CXC would give them. So too bad. Ricey say, hey Ricey, how are you doing? All right, guys, let's start the question. Let's start this question, please. Let's go ahead and start. Most of it was easy. Okay, very good. Very good. Happy to hear that. Very, very happy to hear that. Anybody writing maths next year? Yeah. Okay, guys, let's start the question that's here. Let's go ahead and start the question. Maybe I'll give you all an hour and a half today. Let's go ahead and start the question. So find the square root of 49 and 25. Young DK is just fine. And 20, yeah, I'm going to do it over next year. 45 and 25, guys. Hey, Janelle, welcome. 36 and 16 and simplified. Janelle is saying A for the answer. Let's see what other persons are saying. I had 2 A's up the top. I think it's from Mitchell and Young DK had said A earlier. Let's see if we're making an A sound, guys. Okay, Trinidad and Prince is also saying A. Let's see what the others are saying. No, you must say that. I mean, I work with CXC. Gotcha. Idris, what's your answer? Talk to me. Ricey, what's your answer? Come, guys, talk to me. Hey, Lady K, how are you doing? Welcome. I am okay. I'm doing great, girl. Giving thanks. I'm here having some birthday cake, girl. It's sweet so till. I've got to about 3 bottles of water to get this into my body right now. Oh, you're good. Okay. Yeah, girl, I'm here. Planning to stay maybe an hour and a half with these people. No, it's not my birthday, but thanks. Girl, it's not my birthday. It's my friend babies had birthday the same day. And so I got some cake and was just having fun with it, you know? Because I love cake. Love cake. Trust me. If I'm upset with you and you bring me cake, we are friends for life. Yes, guys. So I have, Andrew, okay. I just saying A as well. So let's get into the question, guys. So we have root 49 over 25. Subtract root 36 over 16. Long time don't taste them things. Girl, me love cakes until. But you give me acne on my face, so I can't have a lot. So let's find the root of whatever is under the root sign, guys. So root 49 would be 7. Root 25 will be 5. Subtract root 36 is 6. Root of 16 is 4. Hey, Janeve, how are you doing? Did you do the paper yesterday? Did you do the, what you call it? You're too beg, Idris. No. You're too beg. No. Let me see now. So from here, you can go ahead and find the LCM. What I want cake. Buck your face, you check out your paper. But you want cake. So guys, we can either use the LCM here. I was not on. Okay. The LCM here, guys, or you can reduce this to 3 over 2. It's up to you how you want to do it. But let's go ahead and work it like this. Times 5 times 4 times 4 times 5. Some people will draw the division bar here, but I'm going to work it the equivalent fraction way. So 7 4 is 28, 5 4 is 20, minus 6 5 is 30, and 4 5 is 20. That'll give me a negative 2 over 20. After which I'm going to simplify, and I'll get 27 goes 1 into 20 goes 10. So negative 1 over 10 is my answer. Hence, A is the result. So, Johnny, did you do the paper 3 yesterday? If yes, how was it for you? Let's move to the next one, guys. If yes, Johnny, how was the paper 3 for you? I don't remember if you said to do the paper 3 or not. But I heard parents say it was not good for them, so I don't know. Trinidadian princess laughing. Oh, God. No, sir. What you want, birthday cake? No, you will get fat. No. No, you will get fat. So, Geneva was asking if you did the paper 3 paper yesterday. The math paper 3. Or you're doing the SBA and paper 1. I don't remember. Oh, no. Okay. So, yeah, guys, let's try this question. I don't know if y'all are seeing it. Let me bring it down some more. Okay, SBA and paper 1. Okay, great. Let's try this one, guys. Let's go ahead and try this one. So 2a squared, young DK is saying C, 2x squared plus 3a all squared is equal to what? Kasian, welcome. Thank you very much for coming in. Janelle is saying C. Kasian saying C. So I guess you're making a C sound, all right? Let's make the C sound. Let me see who I'm waiting on. Ricey, where are you? Ricey, Idris, what's going on? Ricey, Idris, what's going on? What's wrong? Guys, what's wrong? So I have 5 people responding to me. Let's see if anyone else wants to give a response. Okay, 6 people. Genevieve is saying C as well. Alrighty. Yeah. 14 beautiful people on the live. Welcome to you all. Johanna. Is that Joe? Oh. Joanna Daly saying C. Idris saying C. Alright, so let's get on with it, guys. So we have 2a square. This. Hey, Simone, welcome. It's saying to multiply whatever in the bracket twice. So you can either say 3 square, a square. So it's going to be 2a square plus 9a square. Here we have like terms. We're having both a squares. So we're going to keep the like term and add the numbers. So it's going to be 9 plus 2 to give us 11. I hope everybody understand this. If not, say something. Toya, welcome. It's good to have you here. So guys, Idris, next time, Idris. When CXC finish on Math CXC finish, hey Omar, welcome. We're gonna be having a blast. Feel free to give me a thumbs up, guys, if you want to, or if you're gonna make it stay. Feel free to give me a thumbs up. If not, Please don't give it to me and take it back. All right, let's move to the next one. Let's move to the next one, guys. Hey, Omar, welcome, welcome. How was the paper 3 for you, Omar, if you did it? Let me say, everyone who did the paper 3, how was it for you? Was it manageable? Was it hard? Was it easy? Teacher survey, please, people, don't give me no notification right now. I need to write down this name. Learning with Parsley. I went looking for you and I couldn't find you. Getting to you and viewers and subscribers. Welcome, welcome, Parsley. But we can't use the S word, Parsley, so you're gonna have to delete your comment. We can't use the word subscribers, okay? So you're gonna have to delete your comment. But welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. SBA, I'm doing. Okay, Omar, I see. Why Simone delete the comment? Why Simone? Persons are saying it's hard, Simone. I don't know what other persons are saying. Some people say hard, like hard, bad. Some I'm not sure. Yes, guys. Yes. So I'm seeing one answer from Young DK. One from Casey as well. One from Johanna. Alrighty. I see you guys. Move it. I go take it out because I want this to go away. Let's go to the... Vivian, welcome. I'm seeing D's. A lot of D's going on. All right. I see you all saying D's. So, guys, you can observe the trend between the range of values. That'll be the Y values. So, observe the trend between the Y values, guys. See if it is increasing or decreasing by a specific number. Then you can say, what do you do to that number? So the range depends on the domain, right? So if you twice the domain, the first part of the paper was challenging. Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that, but I hope you did your best though, Toya. I hope you did your best there, but your best is good enough. So once you do your best, don't worry yourself. Let the most side do the rest, okay? So we see, guys, that it is increasing by 2 so far. So if you say 2 times whatever x is, so we see it is increasing by 2 going down. See that? Increasing by 2. So it's 2 times x. Would you plus or minus to give you the term in the range of values? So it's 2 times x something, the plus or minus to give you 1. So if you put 0 right here for persons who don't know. So 2 times 0, is it plus 1 or minus 1 to give you 1? I'm going to be a plus 1 to give you 1. If you put in the other numbers in it, guys, so it's 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 will give you 3. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 will give you 5. It's going to be 2x plus 1 for this one. So yes, guys, the answer is D. Hey, Jeremy Panton, welcome. It's the first time seeing you here. I welcome you. Enter your family and turn your notification bell on. And let's get on with the fun. I hope you all understand this question. T's World. Hey, TT. How are you doing, girl? How are you doing? I was just having the cake, TT, and I'm telling these people that I'm eating cake for my friends' children birthday, and everybody begging me cake, TT. Everybody, not everybody. Idris, a young DK, and Trinidad and Princess asking me for cake. And I told them no. So guys, this one, 16.2 divided by 0.01. What is the answer for this one? Janelle is saying D. Janelle is saying D. Ricey is saying D. Toya D. Casey and D. All right, I like that. I like that. I like that. Ooh. Young DK saying D as well. So I guess you're making a D sound for this question. Omar saying D. Empress saying D. Okay. Let's see what's going on for this one, guys. D miss. Dicey. Massa. Look here. Me think I did something gone with you too long. Me not see you, Dicey. Welcome, welcome. It's good to have you here. It's good to have you here. Simone saying D as well. Alrighty, I see you all. I see you all. Simone saying D as well. Alrighty. That's good. That's good. That's very good, guys. Mitchell is saying D as well. So I guess I can go and work the question now. Should I shoot? So the aim, guys, is to try to make the divisor a whole number, and this is 0.01. So to convert this to a whole number, you basically multiply it by 100, or you can move 2 decimal places to the right. Okay? So when you move 2 to the right for this term, you can do the same thing for this, for the dividend as well. So you're gonna be move 2 here so that this one becomes 1, and you're gonna be dividing it by 1620 in the placeholder right here. So it's 1620. So you always convert the divisor to a whole number, guys, and then you do the same thing. Whatever you multiply the divisor by, you do the same thing to the dividends, and the answer is gonna be 1620. And D is indeed the answer. All right, very good, very good. Miss, do you think questions? Look here. Jeremy, honestly, it's a possibility, but I don't want to say yes and I don't want to say no because people taking it the wrong way, when I respond to them. So I don't know. I honestly don't know. But the more paper you have to practice and work from, it's very good. I can say that. All right. I don't want people to quote me wrong of things I didn't say. Mixed Vibes in the building. Welcome, 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 Mixed Vibes. It's good to have you here with us. Yeah, welcome, welcome. So this question, guys, the diagram above not drawn to scale. A, B, and C, D are parallel lines. Angle HIB equals 75 degrees. What is the measure of angle J? So angle J is the angle right here. What's the measure of that angle? Young DK is saying B. Simone is saying B. In what you guys said the answer? A, B, or C, or D. Go ahead and tell me what's the reason behind you saying that. Janelle saying B, Toya saying B, Casey saying B, Empress saying B, Ricey saying B. Alrighty, I like this, I like this. So I guess you all love the simple questions them. You know, like no hard phone. So no face? True, they easy now, the whole RN family, welcome, welcome. It's good to have you here. Welcome, welcome. As you know, girl, I'm here doing some maths. Yeah, I'm here. Y'all love these simple questions, man. I see that y'all running with these questions. I see. That's fine as well. Corresponding angles are equal. Okay, very good, very good. So now the angle I here corresponds with angle J, and so they are corresponding angles. Right? So you find it funny. And so if I represent 75, B, co-interior angles. It will be co-interior angles, Stephanie, and welcome to you. Co-interior angle, Stephanie, if the angle in here was given first, okay? If you were given this data here to find J, then you call this co-interior because they form between the two parallel lines. But because it was not given as such, you have to consider them as corresponding angles. But you could also find this angle here, and you could give a reason as that as well. But yeah, you could be correct depending on how you are going to show your working out. Okay? I can't do maths at all. That's fine. Not everybody can do it, but you know, once the will is in it, you will achieve it. I see Daphne just now. That look like, isn't Daphne Ricey? You Ricey? Ricey, isn't Daphne you? Or it's not you this time. I'm not even sure. Daphne Johnson. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So yes, guys, it's 75 and we say it's corresponding angles. Corresponding angles that cut apart. Yeah, you have a point. Yes. Who said that? Toya? Yes, Toya, you have a point. Very good, very good. Let's move to the next one, guys. Let's move to the next one. In the Venn diagram, the shaded region or the shaded area represents what? Hi, Elisa. Just confirming. Confirming all. Okay. Couldn't answer the call, brother. I'm on my live stream right now. Yeah, guy, the corresponding angle here. Come on, talk to me. What is this shaded region represents? The shaded region. A from Mitchell, A from Young DK. Alrighty, I see them coming in. Let's see what the others have to say. Idris saying A as well. Janelle saying A. Jeremy saying A. Simone Ricey. I guess you're making an A sound. I hope you guys know the answer and just tell me A because it's A on the board, you know. But hope you know if you do the question. And just tell me A because it's A on the board. Tiffany saying A as well. Alrighty. Taya, the question might tell me say you have something on your shoulder I beat you. Look here. Once something up on your shoulder I beat you, double check your answer, please. Because the question might there's some person, either man or woman, stomp on your shoulder, give some good slap. Look here, check him out, check him out, check him out, check him out, check him out. Check him out, check him out, check him out. Zan is in the building. Welcome, Zan. Welcome, welcome. How was the paper 3 for you? I gotta ask you guys. No, guys, me have to ask. Oh, no, I'm sorry. How was the paper 3 for you? How was the paper 3 for you? Yeah, guys. So I'm seeing Idris is saying tomorrow is POA. Oh, God. I wish you guys all the best. Wish you guys all the best. So I'm having some answers here. I'm still not seeing some people. Come on, guys. Talk to me. Talk to me. What is the area, the shaded region? And so, Toya, B is saying A intersect B. So you identify what's in the bracket first. So, you know, A intersect B. Is basically this region here, right? So the complement would be everything outside of it. That's A intersect B. Never my symbol look ugly like wow. So A intersect B is this part. So the complement means everything outside of that. So it has to be this region for the one you're saying, Toya. So look at that and fix up your answer. Look at that and fix up your answer there, please. So that would be that. So Tashi, is that Tashi? Look here, people, I can't call name, you know? Like, I'm a teacher, I'm telling this rough to call people name. Tashi, I want to say Tashi, Tashai. Tashai. Either Tashai or Tashi, I'm not sure. Please forgive me. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It was a little challenging. Okay, Zan, I hope you did your best. Natalie, hey girl, welcome, welcome. And welcome to Tashai or Tashi. I can't call your name, but please, pardon me and just welcome, welcome. It's good to have you here with us. You missed out, girl. There's maybe 6 questions you miss. But those 6 questions, you could do them, so you don't have to beat yourself up like that. Cohen, welcome, welcome, welcome. It's good to have you here. People say B for the answer. And I just drew the diagram that represents B. So is this diagram the diagram here? Look at it, guys. Is this diagram I draw at B? Is the same thing up there? I see my mistake, miss. Thank you. I see why the answer is A. Okay, very good. Because you find the set A and you take everything outside of A. You see that? Miss Yayadi, yeah, me come from Jamaica, Manchester. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, not the business. I did all the measurement. Natalie, girl, I don't know, I was rejoicing for you yesterday when I heard the exam had the cylinder and the sphere on it. I'm like, yes, Natalie, I'll get this. Me know. Well done, girl. Well done. I hope you did your best and I'm happy for you. Yeah, welcome. Very good. How am I saying welcome? Very good, girl. Well done. So come, guys, shoot the answer for me. So who that again? Jeremy said B. So no. Cohen, you said B just now. Double check your answer for me, please, and thanks. And see why B couldn't be the answer. I just drew B right here. So A intercept B is this middle part here. And it says the complement of it. So I did the bracket first. And the complement would mean everything outside of that, which will reflect something like this. And this is not depicting this. So B couldn't be the answer. All right? So, guys, one thing you have to do is observe my son come from Manchester. Oh, that's nice. Yes, in the heart of Christiana too. Right in the middle of the town me live. So, guys, set A is right here, guys. You see this? They're shading everything outside of set A. And we know whatever is outside of the set is known as the complement. Okay, so right here is everything outside of A. So the answer is A complement. All right. If you don't know how to do sets, guys, I have two videos. I have my sets or one. I'm not even sure. Either one video, guys, or 2 videos I did on set, like explaining everything in details, giving you ideas on how to do it by listing, by shading the different regions. Go ahead, guys, and check the video out if you have problems with this, because it's a high possibility that question it sets will come on the paper. So, can I go to the next question? Next question for you all are yeah. Okay. Let's go for this one. Express 0.16 as a fraction in its lowest term. Express 0.16 as a fraction. Miss, if you didn't do empathy, you can see it. Yeah, of course. Of course. If you get a low grade, it's like a good grade, especially your master paper 1. Yeah, it's like a good grade, yeah. Yes. Like I'm good girl. Don't worry yourself. The girl I go boom bang same way. Don't worry yourself. Natalie is saying D for this one. Let's see what the other persons are saying. 0.16. Janelle is saying D as well. 0.16 is a fraction in its lowest term. 0.16 as a fraction in its lowest term. Okay, I see answers rolling in like crazy. Yo, let me start singing in a place. Do master. Let me start sing there, please. No, make me start sing. People say roll answer like that. Appear D me I say, alright, we're making a D sound then, guys. We're giving up. We're making a D sound. Alright. So Zan, remember you can't use letters, numbers in the lives. Me have to take the comment here, pretty. But thank you, and I read the comment. So yeah, questions when the pizza slice was easy. Oh, with the thing it looks like your shape like one cone. And you find the area triangle, and you find the area the sector, you subtract if you get the shade region. I'm not seeing a couple people problems. Hold on there. What say? I'm not seeing a couple people had problem with paper 3. Oh, I'm seeing that. Yeah. I think the fear that people have a paper 3 will overshadow their thoughts and whatever they know. I think people are really, really scared of paper 3. So even if they understand it, once they see the question, they nobody know nothing because so the fear they have for paper 3, I'm telling you, whatever little content is in their head, it gone. That's why you have to have high self-esteem, guys, and build up a self-confidence and know that whatever question you see, you're gonna make it work. Even if you can't work it, you make it work. And say, look here, me come to pass and I pass, me I go pass. Move to the next level. Yes, guys, I say to tell yourself in these times, because nobody not gonna serve you give a simple question to do. They want the money. They want to see you again next year. Mix vibe, Miss Paper 3. You're doing now. The Paper 3 done yesterday. I did the Paper 3 live Monday for 5 or 6 hours. I don't remember. Either 5 or 6 hours me do it for. But the Paper 3 exam was yesterday though. This paper one, paper one, this multiple choice. You can best say, yep, and multiple choice can save it. Multiple choice can save you all the way. I'm telling you, multiple choice save your life. But you must get as much practice as you can, guys. Do some simple questions first and build your self-confidence and just push off like a jet. They can't hold you. Zan, me tell about the numbers here where I use in my life in the Zan. So me I gonna murder you. Me I gotta have things. Me and you I gotta have big, big things. Miss the time was too short. The time is short. You have to practice proper time management skills. Okay, Zan. So for the upcoming papers, not just math, but for everything, you have to have time management skills. That's why for a paper 2 or a paper 1, you give yourself at least 2 minutes on a question. If you see it's going over the 2 minutes or a minute and 30 seconds, you leave it and go to the next one. You can't spend too long on one question. And there's always good guys to finish in 40 minutes. It wasn't that short. You can't say that because you tell me you're not studying nothing. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, princess. But 40 minutes to finish the exam, you know? Are you saying you're not studying nothing? Or you finish in 40 minutes? Me not understand you. Me start with the question 2. Oh, you start question. Okay. You see, me have to tell you have to work doing what you can do most, do the best at. So, guys, at all times in an exam condition, you scan through your paper the first maybe 2 minutes or 1 minute. You scan through your paper, guys. Then you just spot out whatever you can do. Quick. And just match up them questions, guys. And you just move on. You understand? Don't spend too much time on one question. That's what I always do in exam, guys. And you can do good or do well. I try to master those first, and then whatever I go struggle at the end, I just struggle with it through the paper. I mean, I tell you the honest truth. Listen, love me. For one thing is that Trinidad, yeah. Woo! Girl, I don't mean nothing. Big up yourself. Big up your clean self. Big up yourself, Trinidad, yeah. Princess. Big up yourself. But 40 minutes too quick, though. Please tell me, see, look over your paper. Tell me, see, look over. Oh, 45, you say. Oh, my, me sorry. You say 45, me say 40. Osh. I'm my bad, princess. I'm my bad. Empress. I'm my bad here. You say 45 and a 40, me see. So the 5 minutes could I get to look over your paper? Come on, don't beat me up. Not gonna kill me through live. So, guys, when you come now, shoot some answer now. Alright, me see some answer. Alright, let me continue. This is not distract me. Not distract me, so come on, guys. So 0.16 here represents 100th with the TH on it. So it's gonna be 16. You didn't look over? 16 over 100, guys. From here, you can reduce the fraction. I'm gonna divide the top part by 4, the bottom part by 4. 4 into 16 goes 4 times. 4 into 100 goes 25 times. This can't go any further. Okay, so the first you can do is to write this as a fraction, then you simplify. Me finish and start back up. No, sir, you're not easy at all. No, me can't manage you. I can't manage you. Come, guys, miss, and it's not at all. I know POB teacher, but they don't do these kind of stuff that I do, like live stream on YouTube and something. Them not do them something here. Then the teacher, they have family right now. They must have family time. So then the people, not gonna devote so much time. You understand? This, okay. Yeah, you can have her brain. Her in family a smart girl. I talk, she a talk, but she not study. Lie, she a tell. In study, lie. Lie. Empress a tell, but you not study for the exam. Lie, ma tell. So, miss, Zan say me shouldn't give the old scrap paper to workers. No, they normally give you additional paper when you're working questions. They normally give additional paper, man. And you just do the working over the line when they say do not write across this line. Work you over there, they can't do nothing to you. Work you over there. And just put one box around it, so you know, say I know. Yeah, not for paper 3. Whatever. So you say, you. Alright, you come, do me question. Come. Chop. Come, do me question. This feel like when I'm in a class and I teach and the kids they know want me teach nothing else. So they just chat me out. Because you know I'm going further with the lesson. That's how I feel right now, people. Let me tell you that straight. That's how I feel right now. And forgive them crab toe writing because maybe me not sleep on a paper here or something because this look too fine. But you know, forgive me, guys. They give no paper. They should have given you guys paper, of course. Because a paper 3, you know, I don't need paper for work out pan, of course. But you know what yourself. Let me tell you. The area that said do not write across this area. That's the area I did all my working out on. I'm a little rough work, I'm little scribblings. That's the part I write on. Then the same time I just do something there. So and if I had time in the exam, I'm gonna rub it out sometime, one box around it, and just write working at the top or something at the top of it. Alright, Natalie, you got a 1 in geography. Natalie, see, I just a question. Attempt to don't question. I work it out right below the question. Okay. I'm not wrong. Me do that too. But you know, some people they want to sketch out something first before they can do anything. Yeah. So, I have 1 in Geo. Okay. Big up yourself. Come on, people. No, tell me answer for this now, please. I like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people respond to me already. What really are going? Should I go ahead? Ricey, where you there? I don't see a thing for Ricey. So, Ricey, you gone? What's going on, guys? You know, acceleration is a change in velocity over change in time, don't it? When you say start from rest, you know they're going to be 0. All right? So acceleration is equal to change in velocity all over change in time. So time I write funny though. Change in time. So the velocity given was 30 ms. And the time was in 5 seconds. So 30 divided by 5 would give you 6 ms negative 2. Simple math this, guys. You see that? Wanna see in that? Is that Lika? Lika. Boy, me can't call him. You know. Gail Campbell, welcome. It's good to have you here. Welcome. Welcome to the family. The first I'm seeing you here. So if you're not a family member, join the family and let's have fun. All right, guys. So I'm seeing B for the answer. You see how I got the answer right here? So we need to remember this formula, guys. I don't think they give them the paper. I don't think so. You make it look too easy. No, it's supposed to look this way because your self-confidence up in the roof right now. So it must look, Jeremy. No. Look here, so not confident about something. The hardest question look simple. Can you hear they say, yeah, me can do this. Me gonna mash up this. Yeah, me I gonna do this. May I tell you? Once you're confident about something, man. Once you're confident about something, you're gonna lead. You done the question before you even start it. Alright, guys. Yeah, it look easy because it's easy. So come, next one. So remember acceleration, changing velocity over time taken. Let me tell you something again. Once you see changing, you're gonna have y2, y1, just like gradient. You're gonna have y2 minus y1, but in this case, the velocity, so it's gonna be final minus initial over final time minus initial time. Okay, it didn't give you like 2 points or something. But you know you can do that. Don't worry yourself, because you're supposed to do something like that for me already. So I have an idea of what I'm talking. I don't know how to work that. I just divide. But it's basically division. You have to just remember the acceleration formula and how to find it, okay? But yeah, man, you go good. Don't worry yourself, guys. You guys are doing great so far. Trust me. I had some questions the other day and people say me I go too hard pan uno. So me go easy now. I say me can drop 2 simple questions pan them. For them match it up in one quick time. And see? Uno of them say too easy right now. So 0.12 expressed as a percent is what, guys? Right, as a fraction. Behind the decimal point, how much is 0.12? What position is it at? Hundredth, tens, thousandth. Write it as a fraction. And you know, anything over 100 mean percentage, right? So you go ahead and you math it up, guys. So I'm seeing some results. People are saying D. This one pretty easy. I mean, I tell you some people that get this wrong. That may make you know. Then I get it wrong. I tell you. And so far, I see some D's going on right here. Pair D, may I say, all right, make it easy and roll out now. Let the D's roll out, guys. I pity me now. In a one singing mood today, because I surely do some singing right now. But no, my throat hurt me. And my cake almost finished, so I'm so hungry, so now I'm not sing. Simone, I see you as well. I see you all. Mixed vibes. Me call it mixed vibes already? Me not even remember. A smart TV, me I think, but me not even sure. If anybody see Rochelle, tell her me say hi, okay? If you don't see Rochelle about the place, tell her me say hi, guys. Tell us a long time I not see her. Yeah. Long time I not see Rochelle. Long time. Send your message, give it to Jeremy. What must I say? Okay, Zan, I see you. Nicola, welcome. How are you doing? First, let's start me. I see your name pop up. Welcome. It's good to have you here. So let's go, guys. People saying, Nicola saying B. Will you get B, Nicola? Let's say if I D, make my keyboard. If I D, you want to write and you put D. Let me see. No, so D, they far from B. Nicola, will you get B? Can you get B? So guys, this is in the, so here says 10th. And over here says 100th. Alright, what something over 100 and something over 10. So this is 0.12, so it's 12 over 100, same as saying 12%. Alright, so the answer D. D as in dog. Make it just tag Jeremy tweet young DK. Tag him tweet now. You know, the person in their life, you know, tag him tweet, man. Tell Jeremy learn SKN. You know what that mean. Or maybe somebody name does multiple choice question on YouTube. Okay, people who doing POB. Yeah, young DK giving it some source. They don't start them. Hold on, I don't do the one yet. Hold on. That one too nice. Not do the one there yet. Do this one here first. Do this one first, guys. That one, they're too nice. Do this one first. If you can't see the screen full, guys, always expand your screen. I never see the point. Okay, beautiful. All right. Okay. That's fine. That maybe need to make the point bigger next time when I want next question like that. So maybe it's the teacher's fault. So don't worry yourself. If you can't see the screen full, guys, expand your screen. And you can see it, alright? I say the phone in portrait mode, so I'm going to show you like that for now. But yeah, expand your screen and match up your thing. Y'all need to know what the word bisex mean. Alright, cut in a two. When you say two, we mean half and half. Not half and 3/4, half and half. But half and 3/4, where me get that from? No, sir. But yeah, guys, cut in a two. So yeah, you do this one. Paper. Am I writing lean or the paper lean? Which one? Come on, I think you read so bad this time, you know. Honestly, I think you read so bad at all. Alright, make it stay. Oi. Every time I see my foot cramp, like I have some muscle contract. How you call this name again? Yeah, guys, let's go. Okay, who's going to get ready for my evening walk? Okay, thank you very much for coming by. I really appreciate you. Okay, and you know my bell for you turn on. Sometimes you come on again. I got did the on my eyelash. Okay, Daniel, I see you. You're saying D. And must say me nice, don't it? Sorry, guys. Sorry. To me I thought not for me hungry, maybe I munch bank or something. But sorry. Okay, I see D going on. All right. People saying D. All right. Okay, people saying D, D appear D me. All right. Come on, guys, talk to me. Let me see who have a changing heart from this answer they're submitting right here. Or who was sing one different song because we don't want to know. Come on, guys, talk to me, talk to me. Use your knowledge of supplementary angles, guys, or angle in a straight line. Add up too much, 180. So if you know one part here says 50. All around here, so that'd be what? 130, right? Omar, Omar, what's going on? Mitchell, what's going on? Who else? Zan. Look here, man, start calling name, you know. Man, start call out my classroom. Man, start call out name. Casey, where you at? Where at? Taya, what's going on for you? Guys, ensure say what the question. Jeremy, what's going on? What's going on? Natalie, you still with us? What's going on with you, Natalie? Guys, make sure see how word the question, you know. And you're not remember, so we can't use numbers pretty. We can't D. I understand that we can't use numbers, okay? So you're gonna have to delete your comment. Thank you very much. We don't want them take the live down. Dicey, Simone. Hello, look here. No play with me now. Idris. Come on, guys. What's going on? Don't talk to me. Y'all don't understand what to do? Here, Taya saying D here. Supplement the angles add up to. So I guess nobody read the question. The whole on wrong. No, do it again. You hold on wrong. No D. Hold on wrong. Do it again. The hold on wrong. Do it again. Remember, guys, no numbers in the live, okay? The hold on wrong. No. I don't know about the question. Tap to your live on the question. A miss. She not pizza all up her face. To your face. The job done? To your face. Take care for your face. Oh, because one person say A, but I say A. I couldn't what behind this. Look here. I want to the brain. So not times all this time I feel like we not work question. We not work nothing. No, me not love you. Me not love you at all. Me not do it. Me not love you. Cause me not love you. Me not do it. Me not do the question. So far the whole on no. Would I get the question there wrong? Every jack man. Every jack woman. Would I get it wrong? Miss, I do understand. All right. One person understand. So it says in the diagram below, not drawn to scale, show four, that should be straight lines, commenting in a line of parallel. But yeah, show four straight lines where OA is parallel. So OA is parallel to CB. So these two are two parallel lines. So given, none of them are right. Bye. Given that OA bisects NO P and NO, okay, NOP and NOC, if X, which is the right here, so, is equal to 50, calculate the angle of NOA. NOA. So I'm happy that you all said that supplementary angles equal to, watch your face, equal to 180 degrees. Very good. So right here, so guys, other here, so 180. You know this part to be 50. Cool. So from this line here, from the line OC to NO, I want to say ON, all here, so a 130. Everybody get that part so far? Say yes. No. Don't talk to me. Hey Nick, welcome, welcome, welcome. It's good to have you here. Talk to me, guys. All right, good, yeah. So people say yes, good. Listen, it says given that OA bisects NOP, so right, he's saying no. I'm gonna clean up my finger. No marker then. Boy, me broke my teeth, Lord God. And a denture. So guys, here says 50. That means the angle around here would be 180 minus 50 to give us 130. Okay? So from this line to this line is 130. Angle in a straight line equal to 180 degrees. So if here says 50, you'll say to find this angle here, you'll say 180 minus 50 to give us 130. Wanna get that now? Yeah, very good. Very good, very good. Hey, Modest, welcome, welcome. So, guys, it says, given that OA bisects, means a cut in at 2, NOP, so OA bisects NOP, and why does AOC now? That don't make no sense. That should be N, guys. N, not N, not N. NOP and NOC. That means here, so is the midpoint of this part. Here, so see midpoint right here, so AO. So if here, so all of here, so 130, and it cut in at 2, what gonna be here, so? Duh, Empress, duh. Yes, very good. So yes, guys, if here says all of here, so 130, and it cut in a 2. That means it's gonna be 130 divided by 2 to give you 65 right here, so, and 65 right here. You know, y'all see this question, the last live. Only thing is that you guys were given this to be 65 and this to be 65, and you're asked to find this part. But because me go back and me change the question around, and I mentioned to you all how the question could be asked, and still me pick it up. So that means me have more work to do on the skin. Cause y'all ain't okay, miss, me get it. Okay, very good. Bring back these. Right, see, I third time I carry it back. Right, see? I third time this, but guess what? Me carry back 1/4 time because I want to get it. You see me? I want to get it. So yes, guys, I'm gonna straight line. Observe that first. Yes, 50 over here, so I'm gonna be 180 minus 50 to give you 130. But because AO is the midpoint of all a year, so you have to go split it in a 2. So years are 65, years are 65. Add it together, you get 130. Okay. The 4th time. Rochelle, big up yourself, girl. Me just asked about you so long. Big up yourself, big up yourself. Oh, me get it now. Me like that, me like that, me like that. I am good, Rochelle. I'm good, I'm good. I'm here having fun with these lovely people. I'm good. Whoa, you think that's so So guys, I'm seeing people say me get it now. Me understand that me want hear. That me want hear. I'm just joining. Yeah, girl, it's good to have you here. Welcome, welcome. Yes, guys, that me want hear. So I understand it now. Miss, what did To me, paper 3, it was manageable because if you know about how to draw pie chart, if you know about how to calculate sphere and the cylinder and do a cone, you could do the question, but some people, they don't like measurements and then turn their mind from it, and so they had a challenge for some persons. However, some persons are good at it, so I think it was manageable. Rochelle, I think it was manageable. Yeah. What are your thoughts on it? Did you do the exam, Rochelle? Are you doing paper 1 and SBA? Too much people in my head right now. I'm just remember what more do. So yeah, guys, the answer is B. 65. Okay, Zan. Okay, I'll be here for a while, maybe till next 40 something minutes. Okay, doing paper 1. Okay, but to me, paper 3 was manageable. Yeah, even the weakest person in maths could get a 50% on that, or a 60%, or a 55, or a 60. Yeah, but if they not practice enough and know the content and have the self-confidence up, they might have a problem. You understand what I say? But I hope they did their best. My heart goes out to all of them. I was even praying for them in the morning. I'm like, God, you see these people heart, you know they want this. Let them to go through it. Yeah, just want to know how to measure it. Honestly, me want the, what you call this man? I don't know this man name. Some director or whatever. And the last webinar they didn't share that with us. So we don't know how they're gonna measure it. But we know the paper 3 and the paper 1 are gonna be the 20%. But me don't know. Young DK saying D for this one, guys. Let's see if we're gonna make a D sound. Let's see if we're gonna make a D sound. D for dog, D for dinosaur, D for what else? Door. Let's start with D again. I don't know. Let's start with D. Yeah. I don't know. Come give me one D sound. Let's start with D. No. Let's see if we make a D sound, guys. D sound. Let's see if we're making a D sound. Let's see if we're making a D sound. Dee 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 song. Oh, Casey said no way. Casey said no way. All right, Casey, I be you say. All right. Massive crime, Casey. Okay. Remember, guys, you do the power to power rule. Power to power rule to whatever's in the. I won't say. It's not get the answer. I heard multiple choice accounts. Can't tell if. Oh. So maybe they never change it then. Maybe they never do the gamble then. Maybe they never gamble then. Maybe they never gamble. You know, me not about it. WhatsApp some people and ask them what they think about the paper. Me never know. So I want to go on here. So one person said D, other person Casey, and I said no way. And Taya said, yeah, me agree, Casey, and Janela said, I wanna go with that. Janela say A. Empress I say A. Nika say B. Dice I say A, miss. Alright. Let me not worry too much. No, girl, you don't have to worry. You're covered. Trust me, Simona say A. You're covered, girl. You don't worry yourself. Young DK. You're changing the answer again to A now. Alright. Okay. You're saying A as well. Alrighty. So, guys, remember, once you see a bracket, you always try to simplify the bracket. BODMAS, BIDMAS, PEMDAS, whatever you learn it as, BIDMAS, anything you learn it as, guys, always remove the bracket first. In the bracket right here, you have some terms raised to the power of 3. That sounds like charm. But yeah, not on a charm we are talking about. Right here, so guys, so we're going to have to do the power to power rule that says anything in your bracket, you bring it to this power by multiplication. So it's going to be 1 times 3, 2 times 3. This will not be touched or bring to the power of 3 because it is outside of the bracket. Okay? So let me see some more answers coming in before I even go ahead to do the working now. Let me see some answers rolling in, guys. Now show me some more answers since we just explained that too. No. All right, I see Gail Campbell saying A. Yes, Nick, that's how it goes. Whatever in the bracket goes to the power. Whatever is outside of the bracket does not go to the... Ooh, I see somebody new here. Kanan, welcome. It's the first I'm seeing you. Not sure if you're a family. If we're not, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Turn on that bell. You'll see my updates every day. I go live if I'm not sick or I'm on the road. I'm gonna go live. Okay, Omar say A. Kanan say A. Ricey say A. Oh, Taya, that's okay. You can change, man. Yeah, that's how we work it, girl. You can change. Yeah. Taya is saying A. So once you learn something, you can change your answer with it. You change your answer, of course. That show me say understand what you do now. Or you have a better understanding than before. I like that. Yeah. Nicola is saying A as well. Alrighty. I see you all. So yeah, guys, shout out to you all on in here. And all on beautiful and nice and clean and up. So let's go. So it's 3 A1 B2 times to the third power. So what we do, guys, whatever in the bracket goes to the power here. So this goes to 3 and the 2 goes to 3. Says, okay, Saren, I see you. So it's going to be 3. A to the 1 times 3. B to the 2 times 3. So it's 3. 1 times 3 is 3. So it's A to the third power. 2 times 3 is 6. So it's going to be B to the 6. All right. We don't add them, guys, because if you add them, you're basically not respecting or following the laws of indices, or some would say the laws of exponents. Okay, so you have to multiply them, not add them, and that's called the power to power rule. And so the answer is A. Everybody comprehend it? Y'all see how we get this? I haven't seen Brittany today. I hope she's good. Miss isn't the one similar to the first question. To the first question, I'm gonna know the first question go. Where the first question go? Yeah, you mean this one? How you get A1? A1 is basically saying, Rochelle, that any variable that stands on its own, if you see A on its own, it has a 1 in front of it, and it also goes to the power of 1, and it also has a 1 below it. So A means all of these three things that you write here. So, okay? So I mean 1A, A to the first power, and it means A over 1. Miss, do you have... Yeah, I have videos and lots of indices. Yeah, I have them broken down to different parts. You squared it though. Squared it though. What do you mean squared it though? What that's supposed to mean? What do you mean squared it though, Ricey? I don't understand that. What do you mean squared it though? Yeah, guys, I have videos and lots of indices. But people supposed to know this already. The first. Yeah, the first you're gonna square it. Yeah, Ricey, because the power is 2. Right here, so Ricey? So he's talking about this one, guys. So for the bracket right here, 3A square, you could have said 3 to the first power, A to the first power. All right. Then you multiply them same way. So it's 3 1 times 2. Then you have A 1 times 2. So it's 3 square. And that's A square. 3 square, no, so you're going to give you 9. And that's A square. Yes, Ricey. Just like that. Cool. So yeah, guys. So Rochelle, you were asking the question just now. So A means 1A. It means A to the first power. And it means A over 1. All right. So any variable that stands on its own, meaning I have no number in front of it that is visible, means all of that. Okay. Why didn't people you want to run from me like that? You know me like that? But do like that. All right, guys. Thanks for explaining. Yeah, most welcome, most welcome. Oh, that not gone it. Let's do this one. Let's do this one. Let's do this one. This one should be, I'm not gonna say easy, manageable to most persons. I hope. If not, you need to say something. So no, try it first. If you don't get it, say something. Let me see if I can help you. I don't must say me chat bad, not true, but guy, me can't talk good, you know. Me can't talk good. So say something, guys, if you don't understand it, and I'll explain something to you, okay? I will explain if you want me to. But first, try it for yourself, and then you tell me if you don't understand. So the function f of x is equal to 3x plus 4 divided by x plus 1. Determine the values of x, the value of x for which f of x is undefined. So guys, once a function is undefined, that means whatever number in the denominator is 0. So what number can go right here for the denominator to be 0? That's one you can ask yourself, or you know that once a function is undefined, the denominator is equal to 0. Once a function is undefined, you equate the denominator to 0 and solve for whatever variable you have in it. So in this case, you're going to say x plus 1 is equal to 0. You solve for x and you get your answer. Or you ask yourself, what number can I put here to give me 0 in the denominator? I see B going on. I guess you're making a B sound. Trinidad and Princess, you still have somebody put your shoulder joke you? I tell you say in the right way. With your question mark for? Like I said B and I shook your head like that. So Nick is saying C. So Nick, if you put 1 here, so you're gonna get 0 in the denominator. Yeah, that look like it. Kanan, we can't use numbers, okay? So you're gonna have to delete a comment and say A, B, C, or D, okay? So for undefined function, guys, always equate the denominator to 0. All right. Okay, I see you. Empress, I see you. Yeah, it's C. When Nick say -1, then he must say C. Me not understand the Nick. See, -1 up a B, you're saying no? Yeah, say C. Me not understand. But let's go, guys. It's going to be x plus 1 is equal to 0. We're going to subtract 1 from both sides because we want to cancel this positive 1 here. So this cut this. So x is equal to -1. So if a -1 should go right here, let me show y'all. That will give you 3x plus 4 all over 0. Or you can replace x as -1 here so as well for you a nicer number. And you said this is undefined. Cool? That's how it works. So remember that, guys. Once a function is undefined, you equate the denominator to 0. Or you're just skipping ahead that once it's undefined, the denominator is going to be 0. So whatever number you want right here, so for x, has to be the inverse of the other number. Or, yeah, inverse is the best word to use right now. So, yeah, the answer is B. Not necessarily the answer. So, the answer is B, guys. There you go. The answer is B. Ready? Everybody cool with this one? Cool as a cucumber? No. Rochelle is saying no. Okay, Rochelle, what you not cool with? Okay, Ricey, I hear you're saying yes. Somebody else is saying no. All right, Rochelle, what you not cool, Rochelle? All right, Rochelle. Before we try the one here, let me try another one. So we want to know the values of x that makes this function undefined. So I'm going to do this one first, guys. So that's all you all to do. For undefined function, equate the denominator to 0. The denominator is 3 minus x. You're going to take it and equate it to 0. Or you're going to say make it equal to 0. So from here, I want to find the value of x, not a negative x. So what you can do is either bring the 3 over here, so, or you can bring the x over here, so. So I'm going to move the x. So I'm going to add x to both sides to make x stay by itself. So, me say a while ago, I not even know. All right, yeah, simplify for x. So that cancel. So 3 is equal to x. That means, guys, if I should put 3 into this function, x equal 3 into this function, it should be undefined, meaning that the denominator will be 0. So it is 2 times 3 plus 1 all over 3 subtract 3. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 all over 0. 7 divided by 0 is the U word, undefined. Define. They put in a calculator, them going to tell us the syntax error or some form of error, them going to tell in a calculator. You see that? So, if you try another question like this one that has a variable and a coefficient, you can say 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here we need to solve for x. So solve for x. So we have to add 1 to both sides because the 1 here is subtracting. So that cut that. So 3x is equal to 1. Here you divide by 3 because they are multiplying. And do it on both sides. This 3 cut that 3. So x is equal to 1/3. If I should put 1/3 in this function here, the denominator will be 0. So 1/3, 3 times a third. 3 cancel 3, into itself goes 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So 1 subtract 1 is 0. I don't know any other method to explain this. So I hope the persons who didn't understand have a better understanding right now. If you don't, let me know. Or if you understand, just say yeah. So people, I heard Taya saying no. Miss, do you have more questions like this? So me just do 2 more like this, Nick. But in this pile, no. So yes, guys, it'll ask you, what values of x make a function undefined? Just equate the denominator to 0 and find that number. That's all to it. Can't go any simpler than that. Alrighty, so let's go to the next question. A very simple one, I hope. For this one, you have to remember the properties of integer when multiplying. Okay, we have to remember that property of integer when multiplying. You're not seeing the paper. Come on. Yeah. Yes, guys. Okay, people saying D. Let's see if we're making a D sound, guys. Let's see if we are going to make a D sound. Let's see if we're going to make a D sound. Persons are saying D, like a trailer load of D so far. Let's see if we're making a D sound, guys. Alrighty, I see you all. I see the answers coming in like crazy. All right, so that is a key for me to move on. All right, so let's go. So whatever is outside the bracket, multiply everything that is inside the bracket. You call that the distributive property. And this 2 here is a negative 2. Okay, so you're going to have negative 4 times x and a negative 4 times a negative 2. The rule says a negative times a positive give you a negative, and a negative times a negative give you a positive. So these two, a negative times a positive goes a negative 4x, and a negative times a negative goes a positive 8. So the answer for that one is D. Very good, very good. This one easy, yeah. Way easy. Me know. Let's go for this one. Let's roll out for this one. Yeah, man, it's good to build up the energy and then shut it down. Actually, we do it shut down, but yeah, build up your energy, hype you up a little bit. And then me say nada. Yeah. Janelle is saying D for this question. All right, Janelle, I see you saying D for this question. Let's see if we're making a D sound. So Nicola is saying C. Like they not agree or what really are going to fight. They not try to fight in my life. Using A, B, C, D, eh? I fight not try fighting supposed to agree, no? I'm supposed to agree. I'm supposed to say, all right, a D, you say? I did miss it too. Oh, by working it out though. Not by giving us any answer. Alright, DDC. So like you know when me start singing here. C C C D D. Oh, what really a go on? Nikki saying D. Campbell Gail Campbell is saying C. Simone is saying D. No, I don't know it. No. I don't know name. Okay, yeah, they must say. Alright. So guys, the first thing you ask yourself, you see? It's that it's basically a decimal under the root sign. So ask yourself, how many DPs do I multiply? Which is a square root. So 169 is a square number, right? So we need to know how many DPs do I multiply to give me 4 DP in the end. Remember, when you're multiplying DPs, guys, you have to add the number of spaces you see and put in the answer. So you're going to ask yourself, here, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 DP in the question. So how many DPs do I multiply to give me 4 DP? You have to ask yourself these questions, guys. It won't just pop up out of the blues, all right? Ask yourself, how many DPs do I multiply to give me 4 DP? Once you have the answer there, you're good to go. Once you have the answer there, you're good to go. So remember, when you're multiplying decimals to tell how many decimal place will be in the answer, you add the decimal place in the digits that you multiplied or the numbers you multiplied. So if you multiply a number that has 1 DP, like 0.2 times 0.2, how many DP will this number have? This DP, this number, what is DP? This number at the end should have 2 DPs at the end. So 0.2 times 0.2, I'll give you 0.04. How do I know that's going to be 2 DP in the answer? Because here, so you have 1 DP and another one, I'll give you 2. So here, so you have 0.169. That means you need 2 DPs. You need 0.13 times 0.13 to give you a number 169. But I gotta have 4 DPs, so you know you have to add one x 0 here, so and match up your crime. If you have a simpler way of doing this, you can always share it with me. I may not have the simplest methods ever, but listen, getting the job done, once you understand it, bird speed and move on. So talk to me, guys. I see people having C. If you should multiply these two numbers, 0.013 times 0.013, in the solution, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 DP. So I'm going to put 169 right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 gone already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you must multiply 0.013 times 0.013 in your answer, the final answer done here, so you need to observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 decimal place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 decimal place. I hope you all following that. So the answer for this question will be 0.3 times 0.13 times 0.13. How do I know that? Up here, so the answer have 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal place. That means you multiply two numbers that has 2 DPs. And at the end of it, you're gonna have 4 DP. I don't know a simpler way to explain this. If y'all know, y'all can share it with your fellow classmates in here, because we're all in the same class. So you can, if you know it, guys, share it with your classmate, because I not have one simpler way to do this. So if you see this, guys, the root is 0. If you see that, I'm gonna write some numbers. I'm talking about this one. I'm going to write some numbers down here, so, and tell me if you see the answer. Let me see the answer, guys. For this one, 0.0036. Tell me if you see the answer down here, so. Tell me if you see the answer, guys. I'm seeing Rice is saying C, Dice is saying C. Tell me, guys, you see the answer. Okay, Nicola saying C, Janelle saying C. If you're not seeing it, guys, don't be afraid to say miss. Me not see it. Don't be afraid to say that. Young DK saying C. Guys, these people here, we are come to do maths, okay? If they want judging in their mind, make them judge you. You don't really care about the judging part. You want to see your master the concept, and you're good to go. So tell me, all right, Empress saying C as well. So right, see, you have to know your square times table. And most times, the number is going to be the number that is in the question. It's a rare. You don't have the answer like all of them being the same thing. Very rare. So my take to you, right, is to go home and know your square times table. At least from 1 to 15 or 25. Up to you. I knew 125 when I was in grade 7. Because you have to know it. So could go in a maths class. So we have to know in grade 7, guys. So I know it up to now. But yeah. You have to know your square tables, guy. B from Toya. Toya, grab a calculator or your phone or something and put in 0.006 times 0.006 and tell me answer, you see. So the first time, I'm going to make a right number in a live. After you finish writing number, I'm going to delete it. So do it for me, Toya. Or anybody, multiply 0.006, the number here, by itself at B. And Toya, I'm not calling you out, okay? I'm just showing everybody something. I'm not calling you out. So don't feel offended because I call your name. All right? That's never my intention. I will never be my intention. So try that with me, guys. Anybody can just put in on me. I'll delete it after. Can somebody drop the answer for me? Multiply 0.006 times itself. So 0.000036. So this number that Dicey wrote has 6 decimal place in it. The number I gave you here has 4 decimal place in it. So that's telling you that it couldn't be 0.006 because if you should add the DP behind these, you will have 6 DP. And it's not matching the one that was given. You see? So you have to bear in mind that once you're multiplying decimals, any amount of number there behind the decimal point, you're going to add them up and you're going to put the amount in your answer. All right? So 0.6 times 0.6. So 0.06 times 0.06. Can no. Oh, you mean this one? Yeah. If you attack this one can, yeah. So guys, here's what we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That means in my answer, I am going to have 4 DP in my answer. But don't worry, I'll bring some more of these questions because I know you're first person. You're not the only person have this problem. Okay, so I'm gonna bring some more questions like this. The next live, if be good enough, me drop one before the live finish. But if it's not good enough, you know what gonna be the next live. The next one is this one, Can. And the answer for that one will be C, 0.06. And this one is D. But yeah, guys, if I'm good enough today, I'll drop another question like that one. But yeah, guys, we have to know these things, all right? When you're multiplying decimals, any amount of digit behind the decimal point in the answer, that will be the same number of digits. All right? You have to remember that, guys. Very important. Alrighty, so now waste no time. Let's go. Come. So one question here, one nice question here. Why not B? Can they have the same problem from the last time, you know? Hold on, the guy. Let me fix the paper here properly. Hold on. I like how this look at all. Yeah, can. Please watch it over. Because we talked about it several times and several lives. Remember, guys, you're not seeing the screen full. Expand the screen and you will see it in full, okay? Ricey is saying A. Excuse me. Okay, Ricey, I see you. Already. Let's see if the other persons are agreeing with you, Ricey. There, everybody, Ricey saying A, guys. Let me hear what you guys are saying. So remember, once you're given a right angle triangle, you know you think about trig ratios. All right? If they observe an angle, for example, this one at 44, using the observed angle, which is the 44 degrees here, you go ahead and label your sides. All right? We have three ratios. So katoa. Go ahead, guys, and label your sides. So one person is saying B. Wasn't this the homework? Ricey, go ahead. From the last time. Yeah, it should be a homework from the last time. Yes, Ricey. So the boy have photographic memory. He have photographic memory, and that's good. But I hope you remember the right stuff. Young DK is saying A as well. Empress is saying B. Empress is saying B. So Empress, did you label the sides? So you label the sides, opposite angle, opposite side, adjacent, the hypotenuse. You want to find the length or the height of BC. That means you want to find the opposite side and you're given the hypotenuse. Which of these three ratios use opposite and hypotenuse? Okay, Kaya, I see you, Janelle. Which of the trig ratios, guys, use opposite and hypotenuse? So katoa. If you're not seeing the screen, expand it so you can see the full question. But yeah, so katoa, which of them uses opposite and hypotenuse? So you're given the hypotenuse, you want to find the opposite, or then A. Look here. Me no want to guess and play na Empress. Me no want to guess and play. Pretend that the exam did see the question one time. You got to take a little time, go through the question, and make sure you get it right. Because once you circle it, if there's nobody there to tell you, okay, it's not correct, you got to force to move on to the next question. Because in your head, you're right. So I say you have to spend your time and you have to go through the thing accordingly. Cool? So first thing, guys, observe the triangle. If I want a right angle triangle, You're going to go ahead and label the sides. In the meantime, let me do that. So this side will be my opposite side. This side is my hypotenuse. And here will be my adjacent. So far, as that I have the hypotenuse and I want to find the opposite side. Of the three ratios, only sine could have work. Because that alone have opposite and hypotenuse in it. Okay? Only sine. So the sine of an angle, that angle 44, is equal to the opposite. It's going to be BC over the hypotenuse is going to be AB. I'm going to put 15. I want to find BC here. Hey, Suzanne. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How was the exam, girl? How was the exam? So this cancel this. So BC is equal to 15 sine 44. I hope y'all are seeing this. If you're not see it, if you see it, but you still not see it, just tell me say you not see it. If you see it and not see it, guys, just tell me. Don't feel any way, because me not go feel no way if you explain it to you. Because I don't mind. I love what I'm doing, guys. So if you see it, but you not see it, just tell me say you not see it. Miss, it was easy, but I messed up the ratio part. Oh, dang. If I want part, don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. That means you're supposed to be good, man. If I one part not kill you. Two part not kill you either. But yeah. You're good then, Suzanne. Well done. Well done. You do your best. May God do the rest. I want to say the most high. And the universe. Universe do the rest, alright? Don't worry yourself about nothing. You're good to go, girl. So guys, y'all understand this? If you don't understand, please tell me. And if you do, please tell me as well. I'm seeing the answer A for several persons, so I think you all understand. Even though I have less people responding to me now. I don't know what's going on. Come, guys, talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Okay, Toya is saying yes. All right, very good. I like that. Want to say next question? Want me to work with next question? Shoot, wait. All right, next say yeah. Maybe next question, maybe me next question. All right, then my tree are gone already. All right, do the one here. Do this one, do this one, do this one. But it was the beginning of the question, so the foundation was not set. Girl, stop worry yourself. Stop worry yourself. Exam gone already. You did your best. You tried your best. That is good enough, okay? Don't worry yourself, pretty. Don't worry yourself. You must get 150 or 155 or 160. You understand me I say? And that you actually want. So when you get that for paper 3, you're on your way to passing. And once you get one good mark on the paper 1, you know your thing set. So now it's a buckle down on the paper 1 now. Try to ensure you understand all the areas so you can manipulate yourself on the exam, okay? Do the question them accordingly. Alright, see some answers coming in. People are saying B, 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 B. Alright, let's see if we're making a B song, guys. Yeah, max up paper 1, man. You know you're gonna do that. Dang. Oh my god. So yeah, guys, yeah. See people making the B sound. Alright, I guess we're making a B sound for this one then. I guess we are making a B sound. B sound, B sound. Open the question to people. Open the question and just because people say B, I go say B too. Like the last time we did with this D. Everybody wants to say D, so appear D are coming in. I know someone never tried the question. And I kill me say, oh, I don't need to try a question, guys. Not a soul. Some people are trying not and the saying B, because I be there see I show up on the screen. I don't want to ramp with me. You hear me? I want to try the question and test on yourself. If you see, all right, me ready for the question here or not? Yeah, guys, I want to test on myself. Test on myself. Yeah. Yes, guys. All right. So, let's go. Miss, if me get over 40. A grade is a grade 1. Over 49 multiple choice, you mean? I must say a 60 question and 42 out of 60 hour something. What is the 60 hour much? I don't know. Hold on there. And I go like me 42 out of 60 or 70. If you get over 40. That's 66. That I know one two range. You know no two range. If you get 42 over 42, I'm stuttering. If you get over 42, I know we're 2-1, yeah. But maybe you won't get distinction, but you get 1-1. So yeah. Nicole, yeah, but you know, them number are too little. You don't want them a small number here. You want some big nice numbers. So A plus B, guys. So we add row X to X and we add Y to Y. So remember the first part is given in column vector form, guys. So remember whatever is at the top represents X, the bottom represents Y. So it's gonna be 3, 2 plus -1, 0. Say add them 3 plus -1. And you're gonna say 2 plus 0. So that give you 2, 2. So the answer is yes, B. Yeah, Nicole, 150 and above, all right? 50 and above, guys. Work for that. Work with 50 and above, and you can't go wrong. 50 and above. Yes, Jeremy, yeah, very good. I see that one. See one here, guys. The one here juicy and nice, me I tell you. I mean, no see a mango time now. So let's imagine one nice big Julie mango or one East Indian mango, well fit. See it here. If you don't like mango. A well fit mango, these guys. Oh my, yeah. Yeah, 50 and above. 50 and above, if you aim for right now. 50 and above. You can go 55 and above till that good. What is that? This has to do with angle of elevation and depression. We know they are equal. Angle of elevation is equal to the angle of depression because they form one alternate angle. That means the ground level and the horizontal height form a Z. All right? So they say the diagram above not drawn to scale. It's simple, man. Come on, read the question and so simply be. You see, I wanted to give you less, but because people ever send me a short change them the question, me just read out everything. So now again a migraine. Where I see and try the question. The diagram above not drawn to scale represents. How am I saying? Scale. The diagram above shows the point P 100 meters above sea level. A sailor sights two boats A and B in the same direction. The angle of elevation of depression of two boats are 15 and 23. In a hard Campbell, Gail Campbell, in a hard Campbell, no try. Respectively. What is the measure of angle B? Guys, you need to remember that he's looking down, guys. So the man is up here, so I'm gonna look down. All right? So the lower you go is the larger the angle. Remember that. The lower you go, the larger the angle. So if the nearer you look to the foot of whatever you see, whatever you're depending on, whatever it may be, is the, let's say the pan one tree top, right? I used to one chuck out a road, look out a road, you know. I used to one dog, I tree at the tree, a bark at you open a tree, people. The angle where you look out a road with, compared to the angle looking at the dog angle, the dog will be a bigger angle because you're looking steeper, you're looking having a bigger open of the, what we call it there again? Jesus Christ, we're intimate name. Dang. Intimate name. I'm picking them making a class much time. Intimate name. I mean, I know intimate. Hold on, let me tell you intimate name. I remember right now. So let's go ahead and draw the Z angle, guys, and pick them out. Draw the Z angle and pick them out. So the steeper you look, guys, the bigger the angle. So always think about a car out a road and one dog back up in one tree after you and see which angle be steeper. The angle to the dog will always be the bigger one. The inclinometer. Yeah, that word I could remember that word. I could remember that word. Dang. I wanted the clinometer, yeah. But in my head, you know what, me never say it. I had the kids in my class make this all the time, guys. For 120% of the grade. Me say, Ricey, no, no, boss head question. No, Ricey, stop telling yourself that. In a boss head question, me I tell you, the steeper you look, is the bigger the angle. So, picture the man up here, so. Which of these two angles will be the steeper one? Angle A or angle B? Plus, me use different color marker to show you which part and which part today. Look on the good man and start behave so. The man that up here right here, I look on the two people them. Any angle you see closest to the base or to the foot of the whatever toward the foot or anything in the pan, that angle gonna be the biggest, the largest angle, or the larger angle, or largest if I use more than two. So this angle here, guys. So I want to think about the question. I never want to tell you no. I want to think about the question. I never want to tell you no at all, honestly. Just because people they might have headache and I don't want to go shut down the rest of their life. I go say I can't tell you, but I don't want to tell you no man. I don't even think about the question. D saying 65. Where 65 come from? Guys, let me tell you something. Angular elevation is equal to the angular depression. So let's say this person is looking down. So this is going to be the line of sight. And if you're looking down, this angle, see ground level right here, so this angle is equal to this angle because it form one Z. You see? Look at this. Look to see where the 15 stop, where the 23 stop, and see which of these line would that be 15, which of these line would that be 23, guys. You have to be able to decode the questions. Come on, man. Come on, come on. You can do this. Make sure that I saw B first, but I changed my mind. Why you change your mind, Susan? Why did you change your mind? Guys, identify the Z. You're gonna have two Z's there, two Z's. Or you want to call it Z or Z? I don't know. Anyone you want to say Z or Z? Identify the two of them. Let me see if we can find black marker. Sorry, y'all. Sorry. Kind of say me have one marker keys, but it not work. So look, guys, people saying B, no, I see B coming out. Let me see if everybody's saying B, are people changing mind. Look, guys. So are you all looking? So this angle here, so from the horizontal line of sight to this line represents the 15. So the arrow there right here, so that means all here saw 15 degrees. Cool. If angle of elevation is equal to the angle of depression, that means if here saw 15, Here so is also 15. Hey, Kemi, how are you? Welcome, welcome. How was the paper? How was the paper? Did you do the paper 3? For much I don't do it, I can't remember. One who do it, me ask you all on. Because I can't remember right now. Welcome, girl. Welcome, welcome. So, guys, this we paper move. Sorry. Right here, so this line here, guys, will be the 15 in here, so that means this angle corresponds with it. So angle elevation equal to the angle of depression. Yeah, alternate angles are equal. Yes, right, see. So, guys, the 23 comes to this line. You see that? This line 23 comes to. Me use a different color marker so I'm going to have a little hint. 23 comes to this line, guys. So that means the angle here is also 23. So I was telling you guys, if you're looking down at an object, let me see if I can draw something like the clinometer. Use the marker and represent that. So let's say you're looking at, let's say, guys, this is the horizontal line of sight, okay? If you should look, let me look at the A right here, so. This A may I look at. So from this line of sight, I'm going to look at A right here. So A would be right there. You see that? So this angle, let's say this is a 15. Cool? But if I want to look at this E, I'll have to go something like so. So look at it, guys. It's way, way bigger. You know, look at it. So line of sight there right here, so. You want to look at A. See it here, so. Cool? But if you want to look at the E, right here, guys, this angle, let's say this angle here is 15. From the line of sight to here, so 15. But the steeper you look, guys, the steeper you look is the wider the angle becomes. Tell me if you want to follow me, I say, guys. The steeper you look, the wider the angle becomes. And so the angle to look at E is going to be bigger than the angle that you look at A. So what I'm trying to say to you guys is the closer you get to the height or the, I don't know if you describe this now, you know, I'm out of words right now. The base, guys, the base. Look here, I don't know if you call this. Let's say this is the base of the tower. So the closer you look to your ground level or the base of the tower, whatever you're at, sea level or in a tree or whatever it may be, guys. So it's gonna be the bigger the angle. So look at it. So to look at A, let's say here, so it's a 15 degree. But if I want to look at E, where the is, the E right here, so it's gonna be a bigger angle. So just like up here, so to look at the first boat, that's a 15. But the steeper the man goes to the base of where he's standing, or maybe pan yacht or whatever I stay upon, I don't know now one tower. What this say? So not tell me nothing. It's high above sea level. Maybe in the pan one boat or one ship or something. You know. But the steeper I look, guys, to the base right here, so to the pole or whatever, and stand up on or whatever it be, guys, I don't know. The bigger the angle is going to get. So remember your line of sight. Tell me if you understand. Oh, people say, yeah, I get it. No, I understand. Okay. But open and get this in, guys. The steeper you look, it's the, so even with the angle of depression as well. But I'm going to say, wait, word name? Elevation. So it's going to be a line of sight. If you look, say right here, so your head top right here, so. Cool? You see your head top up here side the tree. From here to here, this angle looking up at the tree is going to be a bigger angle. So the further up you look, is the bigger the angle. And the lower down you look, is going to be the smaller the angle. Look here. So this angle at your head top and the tree top are going to be one big, big angle. You see that? I'm open to get it. Trust me. We have to see that, guys. And so if you guys know about a clinometer, that could also help you. But me and teacher have made that for me a long time. If I was your teacher, guys, you'd have to make that in my class. And get 120% for that grade. If you don't make it, me give you 0. And put the word on piece of paper, me give you 5% for the word on piece of paper. At least you have an idea where you did feel it, where you never make it. Yeah, guys. Yeah. So let's move to the next question. So the answer, guys, is 23. So the angle B is 23. And I hope you guys see how I got that. If you have any question, let me know. Because you know I'm in a wrong for explain stuff to know. If you have a next question, guys, just shoot. So Kemi, how was the exam? You say you do it. How was the exam? Was it challenging? Was it manageable? Talk to me then. This one under here, so. Oh, that can go on. But that at hold on. Let me see if I can bring back on the brain to normality. Watch your J Squad. You going so far? J Squad, where you going so far? Me just see you. Me just see you. And you tell me if you shoot already. No. Man, you bully me in the J Squad. Man, you bully me. Man, you bully me. Man, you bully me. But welcome. It's good to have you here. It's very good to have you around. When did you come in for? How could I what with him? Stop being up so. Cause me no mean nothing by that. How could I what with him? Come guys. Look him mats up this year. Maybe I go no to how much more minutes me I go? Me I go no 19 more minutes. If you no be able yourself. Cause the J Squad got start already. Alright, Janelle, me see you. Alright, loud and clear. Okay, you know, I glow. Okay, Janelle, I see you. I see you, Janelle. Let me see if people making a B sum with Janelle or she alone and make a B sum. Let me see what's going on, guys. Let me see what's going on. Remember the principles, guys, when you're dividing. You subtract the powers, or if you don't want to do that, you can go ahead and you can expand this, expand that, and cancel. All right? So you have two ways of doing this question. You can either use the properties of indices or exponents, or you can expand and simplify. Expand and break them down. B. I see B going on. All right, B going on. B. Okay. Me not understand that, miss. All right, one person not understand. So what we do right here is to apply this rule. Open the marker. The rule that says A to the M divided by A to the N. That means they have to have the same base for you to be able to do this. Okay. It's going to be A M minus N. So same base, keep the base and subtract the powers. Same base, keep the base, subtract the powers. Or you can expand them. So you can say A times A times A times M divided by A M times M. Okay? From here, you cancel. Or I'm going to apply the rule here right now. So you're going to have A to the 3 minus 1. Remember, I'm tell you guys, say, see same paper Rochelle asked me about the first time. See it come back to play right here. So remember, I told you guys that A by itself means A to the first power. It means 1A and it means A over 1. So this is the one we want to use right now, since as we are working with indices. All right, miss, if it's B, where the M minus 1 come from. All right, let me show you. Just like, let me show you. So A is equal to A to the 1. M is equal to M to the 1. So we have A to the third power, subtract A to the first power, because I want there right here, so I want one there right here, so times M to the 1, this one, subtract 2. Everybody seeing that? So I'm grouping like bases now. So you have A to the third power, subtract A to the first power, then M to the first power, subtract M to the second power. Okay, you're getting now. All right, good. So from here, you're going to have A 2 M negative 1. You see that? Because 1 minus 2 is a negative 1. Write it properly. Negative 1. So boom, bang. So we answer right here. So, or if you went the division method, after you cancel that, and you cancel that, in the numerator, you're left with a square, a times a square, over m. But remember, once it is in the denominator and you bring it up to the numerator, the power will become negative. And I'll show you which rule you are applying. So a2 times m negative 1. This rule here, guys, is the one that says anything raised to the negative power is equal to 1 over the reciprocal of it to the positive power. So a 1 is here. If I bring it up in the numerator, it becomes a negative power. So that's the rule I just applied there. And I get the same answer. Miss, I'm back this time. Does a bit little busy. Have to cook and feed the kid. Oh, that's fine, Zan. That's fine. I understand. Gotta do what they gotta do, okay, girl? You have to do what you have to do, guys. Yeah. But yeah, it was good to have you here, though. It's good to have you here. So, Nick, you understand this now? You're asking me where I get negative B from, the negative M come from. You understand it now? M to the negative 1 come from. You understand it now, Nick? Or everybody else understand it? Because we only get a few response. So I mean, if you know if you understand it, guys, feel free to talk to me. As you don't know, say me do it for the love and not for the likes. You hear that? Okay. Okay. All right. So, it just make you feel confident a while ago. I'm gonna circle the answer, don't it? The answer is B, guys. My bad. I'm gonna circle the answer, the last part. They taught me different. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Different teaching, but you can have same answer at the end. Me? Miss, you're married or you're single? No status. Boy. Oh God, no status. Kara, me see you know, where Kara leave the comment for? Kara, where did the comment for, Kara? Eh? All right. A joke, man. Miss what? Miss Barcos, I give you proposal. No, man, I don't know you could do the man. What you call the word? Engaged. Run through the last part again, miss. You mean the expansion part? Look, for Princess, she mix up. You see, Empress, we gonna go away. No, you mix up so till. No, sir. Engage, guys. Engage. All right, come on, stop. Okay, come on, business. Come out of my business. Come out of my life. Come. Which last part you talking about? So, you mean the expansion part? Oh, a while ago. J Squad, you mean the expansion part? Talk to me, J Squad. The expansion part. Lucky guy. The expansion part. You mean J Squad? That was the last part here. So I'm gonna fight the attack. Alright, let me go through it. If I attack, let me go through it. So right here, guys, we have a to the third power means a times a. M to the 1, just m divided by a, m squared. So here, so me simplify. I'm left with a squared divided by m, which is right here. But this is also correct too, guys. Just because we don't see it here, we have to simplify this to make it match up to this. Cool? So, m to the 1 here, to bring this m in the numerator, you apply this rule that says anything to the negative power is equal to 1 over the positive power. So right here, you could have said 1a square all over m to the 1. Same thing as saying 1 over m to the 1 times a square. No, maybe now it looks better to y'all. So this would look like this. This 1 over m here would look like this. So if you want to bring this m in the numerator, it's going to become m to the negative 1, which is right here. So maybe y'all can see it. Because remember, this a has a 1 in front of it. So if you wanted to, you could have looked at it like this as well. But yeah, I eat that. I'm half Trini and half JA in my blood. Me believe you. I believe you, I believe you, I believe you. So till. Nice way of saying I'm in your business. Me believe you, Trinidadian princess. Trust me. I believe you 150%. Not lie. Alright, guys. Let's try this question. I hope you like this one. I'm not tell me say me a kill you. Hope you like this one, guys. Read it properly before no try and before no answer a question. I know the flavor of your Kool-Aid, Lord God Almighty. No, sir. Look here. I don't know what that mean. My mommy come from church already. You not even WhatsApp me or nothing. I could have tell you there. I know she must see me miss call for a morning, you know. And this lady don't WhatsApp me back. Who in here have parents like that? But we see a missed call and don't WhatsApp you back. And listen, unless upon the phone me I use them, she message me pan. Hey, pretty lady. I'm pulling your wristband. Even though I'm on my live stream. Yeah, guys. Answer the question here for me, please, and thanks. A, B, C, or D. Don't send me no number in my chat. A, B, C, or D. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's answer this one. Let's go and answer this one. Guys, don't be afraid to ask any question no one asks, relating to maths. Yeah, because I like them personal survey question here. Oh, B. Okay, Suzanne. Suzanne is saying B, guys. Who agree with Suzanne? Who disagree with Suzanne? Talk to me. Suzanne is saying B. Who agree? Who disagree? She do it right or she want help? Come, guys. Validate Suzanne right now. C from... Is this asking the right question? Okay, maybe. I think so. So them cherry you're nice. No, sir. And people are gonna broke me, guys. Me I tell you. When you come on to food, I'm gonna catch me. And I'm gonna broke me. Me I tell you. So remember, guys, always from the line of sight. Okay? Always from the line of sight, guys. No. No draw no sketch. Try first. No draw no sketch. Only see 3 people respond to me so far, so I'm not drawing no sketch. I'm not see the answer yet on the board. I know I'm not see the answer. So guys, look at it. It says a girl 1 meter in height, standing on top of a vertical building 45 meters high, sees a car some distance away. When the let's see, angle of depression is 55, what is the height of the building in meters? Trinidadian princess here. Yeah. See here, princess. Oh, God. What did say she say? Some car? But what person see, guys? Some car. And this me can't draw no, you know, so look here, no about that. Like this. Excuse me, Mr. Beans, right? This, guys. So remember, guys, angle of depression and elevation is always from the person's line of sight. If you go away. Always on the person's line of sight, guys. So this girl, the building here, so 45 meters in height. Cool? So this girl, angle of depression means looking down at where the car is, okay? Why we can't draw one straight line? At where the car is gone, that's 55. So the line of sight is always, the angle is always formed from the line of sight, guys. Let me put right here and I put line of sight. Some people say horizontal something. Yeah, horizontal plane. So right here, guys, it's from the girl's eyes to the car, saying all this length here would be 45 plus 1 to give you 46. Miss, you're running me away. Miss, I am running away from class to go wash. Okay, Toya, it's good to have you here. Hopefully when you're back, I am here. Okay? But it's good to have you here though. Thank you. So guys, the height they're talking about here is from the line of sight to the floor. Yeah, the line from the girl line of sight to the floor. You have to include the girl height in it as well. So it's 45 plus 1 to give you 46. So the answer is a D. If you're not seeing it, guys, take a minute and meds the question. Take a minute and meds the question. Open the seat after the meds. Susan, anyways, you can't send so much so much emoji in that chat. Just try delete that. You can't send more than 3 emoji in that chat. Delete that. Alright, Mrs. Your seat, alright. Yeah, go and meds it, yeah. Send 2 of them go funny feel, but you can't send more than 3 emoji in that chat. You pretty? Can begin a laugh after me. What, because me say meds it? I'm sorry. High school me teach, I pay young people me associate myself with. Sometimes I always reason with them at their level. So I always use some good term, but me not gonna be rude though. So meds it, guys. Or observe it, guys. Yeah? And let me know when you want to see the next question. 469. Who is that? 405. No, but I can't, please. Oh, me made it already. Alright. So shoot, guys, next question. I haven't heard from Ricey in a while, but Miss, they want the height of the building, not. But yeah. So one is the question asked right, because they want height of the building, but they gave you the angle of depression as well, and the angle of depression It's on the girl's line of sight. So I'm not sure. If they ask the question good in the first place. Because never like the question son when I read it out loud. Read it aloud. Not this book. Make question there. Something wanna say there. Hold on, guys. Let me can find a question. Show now. Angle of elevation, angle of depression, 1.5 meters. Another question there. That means the other book. Oh. They need to stop asking these questions like this in that. Yeah, maybe they need to stop doing that. I wanted to change it as well. But I don't know why I never change it. I couldn't answer the question right now. Hold on. Let me find a show now. Angle of elevation, angle of depression. Spotted the ANGLE of depression. 592. 592. Already. So guys, maybe should have said the height of the girl from the ground. Let me change this. Hold on. So what is the height of the girl from the ground? Maybe you should have said this, guys. So what is the height of the girl from the ground? Maybe that would be a better answer, don't it? So maybe when you say height of the building, I see him 45. So maybe I'll accept that, guys. So height of the building would be 45. But the height of the girl, what is the height? Right, see him something 2 times. The height of the girl from the ground. Maybe you should have said that, guys, instead of that of the building. Just guessing question like these. No, no guess nothing. You mad? Nick. No. No, Nick. No, no, no. You can interpret it. No, no, no. So I just took out this part, guys. So ignore this part. I think the question flawed somewhere. So what is the height of the girl from the ground? That would be the girl's height plus the height of the building. No, the other Nick. Not Nick Richardson, the other Nick. So guys, let it read like the height of the girl from the ground level, guys, instead of height of the building in meters. Because that don't really make no sense, because that would be 45. But the height of the girl from the ground level would be the girl's height plus the height of the building, since that she's standing on top of the building. You guys agree with this one now? If you had seen that, would it be better? Come guys, talk to me. If you had seen that question phrase like that, would it be better? So the height of the girl from the ground. If you had seen that, would you tell if it is 46? Yes. All right then. So maybe I say it should have okay, Trinidad and Princess. Big up yourself, girl. Thank you very much for coming. I appreciate you being here. So yeah. So yes, guys. So maybe it should have been phrased differently. So I'm taking that one back because maybe I owe the question phrase, and since it's a me good question, I'm gonna blame myself right now. Yeah, it's good to have you here. Bye bye. Miss Joker. Girl, full of vibes and full of joke. Like, wow, I think it's 45. 45 will be the height of the building, but with the girl included, it will have to be the girl's height plus the building height, which will be 46. Yeah, guys. So yeah, I didn't even circle this one. D. It is there. So do this one for me. Do this one for me. Need to do that thing tomorrow. I need to achieve a goal tomorrow. I have to work on that. Oh my God. This is not easy. This is not easy. Yes, guys. Do this one. D from Janelle. Janelle is saying D. Okay, I see you, Janelle. Let's see if other persons are saying D as well. Nick, we can't use number. What's the A, B, C, or D? So please, may I beg you? Delete your comment and write A, B, C, or D. I know it's my fault because I didn't say this to you before. But please use A, B, C, or D when commenting, okay? Because they say no numbers in the live stream. I mean, no one them take them live. So I'm going to say, yeah. I don't want the people them go take them live before time. I don't know about a publishing or something like that. Come and know them style. So yes, guys, I'm seeing D, I'm seeing B. Let's keep them going, guys. Let's keep the answers coming in. Come on. Now talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Talk to me, guys. I see D from Nick. You need to tell them saying wrong. Nick, you're not easy, you know? You mean they're wrong? Give them a chance. You mean, Zan, you're back. You mean they're wrong? You mean they're wrong? Tell her why she wrong. You can't just say you're wrong. Tell her why. That's what them are gonna learn. Tell them why. If you think they're wrong, all right. Say you're wrong. Lord Jesus. Why is she wrong? Yeah, tell her why. You can't just say you're wrong. You can't just say it like that, Nick. Nick can't just say it like that. Tell her why she wrong. No, sir. Yeah, something else. Trust me. Tell her why she wrong. You can't just say that. It's A from B. It's from A to B. What does that mean, Nick? People are all right. Like, gonna have one discussion. Let me keep myself aside. Okay, guys. So remember, once it says from something, that's gonna be your starting point. So here, guys, the diagram above, the bearing of A from B is so of B from A. So from A, guys, is your starting point. But they gave you that A from B is 225, guys. So we have to observe that A is where we start. All right, so from A is where we start. And remember, bearing is a clockwise movement from the north line. So from your north line, you're going to be moving in a clockwise direction. Okay? You're going to be moving in a clockwise direction. Means draw a compass at A. You don't have to draw the full compass. Once you draw the north line, you know you're good. Because the north line, you observe the bearing from. But since you want to a compass, let me draw the compass. But you don't have to draw a compass. Once you draw your north line, you're supposed to be good. See, north line there, you're supposed to be good from that. So guys, you need the bearing of B from A. So starting from A, you need to know what this angle is. All right? You have two ways so far. One way, two way. I know two ways so far at the top of my head. How I could find the angle at A right here. So guys, what we do is either to complete the one revolution. So you're gonna say this subtract from 360 to give you around here, because excuse me, angles at a point Equal 360. So all around here, so it's equal to 360. I hear you, J Squad. We're gonna do this together. Let's go. So guys, from here to here is 360. But they gave you from the north line to this direction. That means to find this part here, you're gonna say 360 minus 225 to give you 135. Okay? That's one way of doing it. And if here's 135, these two north lines are considered to be parallel lines. So they form co-interior angles, and co-interior angles equal to 180 degrees. So if here is 135, this angle here would be 180 minus 135 to give you 45. All right? Or, guys, you could have said that angle on a straight line would give you 180. So this region here would be 180. All right? From here to the south line is 180. So this region here would be 45. Because 180 plus 45 would have given you 225 to cover everything that's here. Let me see if I can dry back down here, so quick. Show no me talk. So I'm here, guys. So if you wanted to know this angle here, you would say angle in a straight line equal 180. So here, so is 180. To get this angle, you could say 225 subtract 180 to give you 45. So here is 45. You could also say that this line and this line are parallel lines, so they form a Z angle. So this angle is equal to this angle. And so right here, guys, is also a 45 degree. And that's how we get D to be the answer. So there are two ways in which you can work this. You can either go this way where you find angle at a point, do the co-interior method, or you observe that a Z angle is formed, and that's how you get it. Let me know if it's clear for you all. So here, so is equal to here, so I prefer the last method. Okay, then match it up then, yeah. Then just try and understand this way then, that's fine. Any question you have for me, guys? Any question for me? So the answer is D, 45. So guys, when you're correcting people, you don't just say, and Nick me I thought, Nick, when you correct people, they don't just shout them out like that, here. You cannot tell them how they go about doing it. Instead of you say you're wrong, and them something there. See it here. Next question here. I just drew the diagram for this earlier. If you want me to, I can bring back the diagram. If you're not seeing the full screen. If you're not seeing the full screen, you can expand your screen. Remember, guys, we're here to learn, all right? So we respect each other and their opinions. People taking back their likes. Look here. Look here, guys, on a serious level. If you come to the live stream and you don't want to give me the like, don't give it to me and take it back. Keep your like. If you don't want to give it to me, you keep your like. Okay? I'm here for the love and not for the likes. Thank you. And that goes to everybody. No, don't do it, man. If you don't give me, no give me. Don't give me no take it, because you know really, he need a here and a there for me right now. So guys, don't do that. If you don't want to give me the like, don't give it to me. Keep it. Because the live stream is going to go on without you being here or not. Because some people then just too fake. But I'm here for the love, guys, okay? Not for the like. What? This whole, what that mean? What that mean, Nick? Me say no, no cuss ya cuss out people in my life. Cause me don't know what that means. I come look at Spanish. What that mean, guys? Me go up on Google so that when Nick say, cause me not understand that. If I feel them, me don't know that look weird. People come in and give like and take it back. You know about me, please. Cause me not really depend that right now. People depend in summer break and me love teaching to me art. Me have to come. Oh, French. You may say French. I don't know cause of people in my life. But dear, I don't wanna die. What is that? What? Gorillas. Alright, I don't know what that means. Alright. So guys, this is a diagram and the question. So the diagram is right here. You can use the diagram as a guide. Or you wanna go ahead and draw your own diagram, that's also fine. But the height of a building is 46 meters. Like all of that are 46 meters. The angle of depression is 55. What is the distance of the car from the base of the building? Distance of the car from the base of the building is right here. Okay, guys, right here. So they want to know this distance from the car to the base of the building. So go ahead, guys, and label your angle. So remember, angle of depression is equal to the angle of elevation. Okay? So here's 55. Down here, so is also 55. Okay? All right, let's match up this thing and make it work, guys. You better behave yourself. Of course, I'm not going to behave yourself. All right, Nick Richard still saying A. Okay, Richie. Alrighty. So one person is saying A already, guys. Let's see if we're going to make an A sound. Generally saying A as well. Was that the one for J Squad is saying A as well for this question or for something before? The one must A for B. Alright, J Squad, I hear you. So you're saying A 46 times 1055. Guys, also, me feel stutter right now for this question. Let me hear some answers. Come on, guys, talk to me. Talk to me. People saying A for the question. So, let me draw the diagram again up here so you're neat and nice so everybody can see it. And that side is opposite or adjacent. Look where the angle is at. Remember, the angle of depression is equal to the angle of elevation. Okay. So one card over here, so. Okay, so Nick is saying D. Alright. Think me have to go. Alright, me know me I gotta do. So here so it's 46. Alright. And here so the angle of the angle of depression. Hey Khan, welcome. It's 55. Cool, guys. So from here, we know angle of depression is equal to the angle of elevation because it forms a Z angle. So if here's 55, down here, so it's also 55. Okay, guys? Having that, we go ahead and we label the sides of the triangle, guys. So this side is opposite to the angle, so it's called the opposite side. This side is known as the adjacent side. And here's the hypotenuse. So we're given the opposite to find the adjacent. So we know we have 3 trig ratios. So Katoa, which of these 2 ratios have to do with opposite and adjacent? Tan. So the tan of an angle is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. Nika, so you're changing the answer again? All right, guys. So it's gonna be tan of 55 is equal to Nick. What's wrong with you? 55 is equal to opposite, which is 46, over the adjacent. We don't know. Let's call it the base. I don't know. I say base, guys. All right. You want to find the base? We're gonna be multiplying both sides by the base. So that cancels. So 46 is equal to the base tan 55. We want to find the base. It's being multiplied by that. So you have to go divide by tan 55 on both sides. That cut that. So base is equal to 46 over tan 55. And so the answer is at D. Okay, the answer is at D. Look at the question and see where you went wrong. No, you don't have to say that. Come on, Richardson. Come on. No. I did not sense that attitude from you earlier. So come on, don't do that now. It's okay. Guys, we're here to learn, you know. Okay? And I told you guys I'm here for the love. It's my love for this why I'm here. So come on, guys, don't do that. That's fine. You can always change the answer. So now, Nick, send in the right answer now. Send in the answer, say D. Type D now. Nick Richardson, type D now. That's fine, guys. We're here to learn, okay? Nobody no perfect. Nobody no perfect. Run through again, miss. So we go ahead. We observe that angle of depression is equal to the angle of elevation. They gave us the height of the building to be 46. Angle of depression to be 55. So that means angle of elevation is also 55 because they are equal. Because they found Okay, Susan, I understand. So guys, these angles are equal. So from you have observed angle in your triangle, you go ahead and you label the sides, opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse. Then you see which of the three trig ratios requires the opposite and the adjacent. You'll see that it's tan. So tan of an angle is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. Here's the adjacent, I'll call it the base, and that's the height, 46. So tan 55 is equal to 46 over the base. We want to find the base. So you have to transpose or to solve or the subject of the formula and make base be that. So you multiply by base on both sides. This cancels this. So 46 is equal to the base times tan 55. We want to find the base, so we divide both sides by tan 55. So base is equal to 46 over tan 55, and that's how we get the answer to be D. I hope this was useful, guys, and I hope you understand it. Okay? Yeah, can me know. Me know. And I'm happy to hear that. I think I'm going to want a simple one now to make it kind of relax in the brain, cause but me not a simple one left. Let me see if the one about my single. Hold on there. What's one simple one here? Cause we don't have no simple one any little exam bun done. What did I say? He makes G come. Oh, really? See to that me here can. Me say half of the question then repeat can. Me glad phone you see. I would tell me Idris. Yeah, Idris tell me. Me happy phone is a till can me I tell you. Teachers always like to hear that the kids. Hey Shakada, welcome. Yeah, can me like that can. Teachers are always happy when they say that on these big exams that the questions repeat. Like whatever kid had in the class who was slow, you know they must pass. So yeah, can me happy to hear that. More do minus so the maths on that come done too. You can't for them come back. So no pass. God no. We shall pass this way but once, guys. I'm at work, I'm taking a peek. Okay, Shakada, I'm so happy to hear that. Thank you, girl. You know, I appreciate you for coming by. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, girl, I'm here doing some questions, you know. I'm in love and enjoy this. Like I'm a new baby this, may I tell you. But the 27th of this month, I shall give birth to pure grade ones. No, that's so now way. But yeah, 27th of the month here, I'm gonna be the birthday for them people here. Happy for them, I see. Where is A? Huh? Where is A and B? What do you mean? Where is A and B? Where is A and B? What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh, you mean you mean the trapezium rule? Trapezium formula? Yeah, girl, grades one, me I pray for them. Me I tell you. Me I pray for them, man. Straight ones them I get me I tell them I put in the work, Shakada. Them I put in the work and me I tell you. So guys, you have to try to break this figure apart. So you see this from F to E is a 6, and from years to years are a 9. You see that? Other years are 9. So if you break it apart, guys, you can get here to be 6 and down here so would eventually be 3. Tell me if you're not seeing this. Tell me if you all seeing this. You all seeing this? Half A plus B times height. Yes, can. So the height here, guys, the height here is not 9, but for the trapezium down here, so would that be 3. How do I know that? This length here is 6. That means to the point right here, so it's going to be 6. Up here, so it forms a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. So if here are 2, that means the down here so is also 2. You see that? When you math it up and tell me the answer now. So here's our 2, guys. I'm going to put this now. Let me see if I can change the marker. So here's our 3 and here's our 2 centimeter. Let me see if you guys can do this. If you want me to, I can take out the trapezium for you, so you can see it better. But on the exam condition, guys, if you can't see it like that, you break it apart. You break it apart, guys, and make use of it. Don't make it confuse you. I mean, I tell you, no, I have to know then it could skill here. Once you can't see the triangle or the trapezium in everything, you break it apart of your paper. Mark up it. Mark up it fully, guys, of your paper. Make use of it. I know the area trapezium. Half A plus B, the 2 parallel sides times the perpendicular height. Come, guys, match it up for me. So I'm seeing A for the answer. All right, so Nick and Can. Nick, why are you saying the answer so much time? I see a bit. Okay. Janelle is saying A. All right, I see you guys. Squad is saying A as well. All right, let's see what other persons have to say. Come, guys, talk to me. Where is Ricey? Rochelle, who's part of the day? Suzanne, Simone, what's going on, guys? Why people stop talking? I don't understand, no? We're going to John shop. No, we're going to Miss Kennedy shop. I might shop this and not John. We're going, guys. No talk to me, man. Yeah, Lika, no, come on, girl. Look how we have fun earlier. No, do that, man. Don't do that. Lika is saying C. Lika, what did you use as the height? Oh, you're working. Okay, Suzanne. Okay. Them wasn't it 7:30 hour? How can I work it, sir? No, sir. Zan is saying A. So let me help you guys go further. So area of Trapezium is equal to half. The parallel sides, guys, going to be 2 plus 6, this plus this, times the perpendicular height, which is 3. Okay, so it's going to be half. 6 plus 2 is what? 8. Times 3, half of 8 over 4. Times 3 is what? 12. And it is cm squared because I'm talking about area. So it's 12 cm squared, guys. If you're not seeing the paper, you can always, expand the screen. You can see everything in me right just now. If you're not seeing it in full. But yeah, guys. Yeah. Let me know if you get it, guys. If you see how to deduce the information or decode whatever you're given, guys. We have to be able to do that, okay? If you don't do that, guys, it can give us hell. All right? So as simple as it is, it can be challenging for some persons. And yeah, I understand that. Not everybody love maths, but we want pass the stage here. So whenever we need to know, we're going to know it and we're going to move on. All right? We're going to know it, guys, and move on. And if you don't know something, guys, don't be afraid to ask me. If you want to ask me here, message me on Instagram or Facebook. And you know me, I'm going to respond to you. People who message me can tell us I'm respond to them. Even at the same time, maybe a couple of hours after the day, cause and every time I go up on Instagram. But yeah, guys, we can do this, all right? And we can make this work. Couple more days to go. And we want to come straight. What do you use to shade? And sign exam. Pencil, HB2 pencil. That little fake Chinese man one them, the good one them. Right, see you come back. It's good to have you. The good one, Janelle. So the optical mark reader name. Multiple choice, you can pick it up. So by the decent pencil, Janelle, the HB2 pencil. The good one them. But the very good Chinese man one, because then one go maybe machine up pick them up, or maybe it will if it make one bright shade. Or something. Okay, people saying A for the answer. So yeah, guys, the answer is A. Alright, so I have one more, couple more on Japan, but me know so I'm not Freddy. Alright, the one here. Go with B a 2B. Yeah, no HB2 me say. Or H2B, you want to call it HB2, me don't know. I have to think back way, but 8 something. Them put pencil. The HB pencil is Rob on marks. So what do you mean HB2 pencil? The same HB2 as the 2B can and the same thing? Yeah, just come back and hear him. No. Ricey. Ricey, you just come back and hear you. Read the question, please, and thanks. Read the question, Basket. You know that hard. Read the question. Make my neck feel funny right now. 1/3 pi r square, guys, times height. So, no do the maths. So, volume of a cone. You know, easy at all in funny, you see? Oh, Jesus, right here, the best. Me love the man, me I tell you. If me a teacher, master. So me have one plant, me I call me plant Ricey. Me I gonna name me plant after you, Ricey. Me gonna transfer one plant tomorrow and make one next one. So me I call him Ricey. So me have Rickelia, me have Jessie, and me I call the other one Ricey. I tell you. You remind me so much of Jessie, me teacher. I tell you, no sir. The funny, not the same. Not the same one. Oh, God, I mean, I understand then. So go on by the good pencil, Janelle. I don't know. But that's something by the 2B pencil. I hope I can find in one pharmacy. You have some pharmacy now they sell good pencil. Or some good bookshop. Remember the height of the cone is like from the center to here. So it's the same radius, right? See? So the height are the same as the radius. Look at it. The height is the same as the radius. Okay, Ricey? So it's from the 2B, 4B. You see, come with the numbers on my life. Oh, Jaja. Me tired now. We soon done this now, guys. I know tired that kill me. I'm gonna do a couple more questions. Oh, me have one question to go, you know. So we're gonna do 2 more questions, guys. One homework. And we done for the day, yeah? 2 more questions. And we done for the day. Okay, guys, so come on, let's put in what we know. The height of the cone is the same as the radius. How do I know that? It's from the center to the circumference, which is the peak right here, so. And that's also R, okay? So in this case, H is equal to R. So let's put in what we know. So it's 1/3 pi. Then that's what we use as none, so it's up to you what you want to use as. But so far, 22/7 times R square. 7, 7. Nick, behave yourself. Behave yourself, Nick. Behave yourself, Nick. Behave yourself. Nick, you know me not talk about you. Nick R. Give me a call Nick R. Me not see me call the last name a while ago. So you know who me so me differentiate, you know. So say me not talk about you, right? So nobody say I go change your name. Like some Lika Gay is right beside me. Okay. Okay. Make sure I'm not trouble, yeah, trouble. Campbell, Gail Campbell. I think that's her last name, no? Gail Campbell, me call her a while ago. Think so. Okay. All right. So, yeah, guys. Let's simplify this. People say A is the answer. In the exam condition, guys, they'll give you pi in the answer, don't it? You know, me not gonna do that. Cause your calculator, I'm not using the calculator, so I have to kill up myself right now. Says 1/3 times 22 times 49 would I give you A to be an answer. On the exam condition, guys, you know, they would replace pi or something. You know. They'll put something as pi as the symbol for pi. They would make you work it out like that. But because of me, I'm gonna make you work it out like that. Cool? Okay, so I'm gonna know one question. But let me see a 3 question left. Alright, do this one. And people stop talking to me right now. People are not tired of me. Look here. No, do that, you know. No, don't do that. I'm tired of myself right now. I'm go season some chicken and say I can do some fries and something. I'm tired. No, move to do no hard work tonight. Tonight, I know I'm not go sleep. So come. So yeah, guys, y'all are right. The answer is A, 359. Miss, what was the answer for the homework? The homework. After I know what homework there. It was done in the live though, remember. Use English, please, because I not understand the kind of language. I'm not trying to interpret that because I know what you're trying to say right now. So use English. So yeah, guys, come do this one for me. Use English. I don't understand the language there. English or patois or something. I don't know what you talk right now. Me do Spanish or English. Me do that. Me do what you call French or whatever, you Dutch or whatever you want to say name. Me do that. So if you use English, you can understand. I say D. Okay, brother, I see. But I write it D is the answer. We active again. C T B. Safe. So C. One said D, one said C. So persons who said B, not B, persons who said D for the answer, tell me the reason behind it. Base angles are equal. Where base angle there? They never tell us that are no center. So where get base angle from? Me not see no isosceles triangle here, so. Because there's no center. If one center did there, so, me I say that, but there's no center there, right? So you can't say that. Can said D due to alternative angles. What much I'd say? I don't know what that. Interior angle equal to exterior angle. So if I say that, all you have D for the answer. And Nick, yeah, spam the chat with the same comment every time. I can't do that, Nick. One time I'm going to read it and I see it. Don't spam the chat like that. Z angles. Where you get that from? What was it? Oh, you get Z angle like this, huh? They never tell us that no side is a parallel. You get Z angles from. Hey, Idris. Welcome back. Welcome, welcome. Where you get Z angles from like this, sir? Me guess this one, me see. You guess C, but tell me why you say C. What reason you would say C for this one? What reason you have to say C? A from Zan. No, come on, tell me the reason to say no answer over here. What reason you have for the answer here? Come in and follow right now. Guys, when you're giving a question like this, you always rule out what you know versus what you don't know. So already we know that these two angles, angle at E, the angle at D, they form on the same chord or the same arc right here. So you see that? That means 35 here, so up here says also 35. Then form on the same. You can't see this, you know. You must can't see this. So yeah. Form on the same chord or the same arc. So this angle equal this angle. So up here, so. Dang. I need to drink some water. So you saw 35. So we say angles on same chord equal. Cool? So right here, so guys, it's hey on game, welcome back, welcome back. It's good to have you here. So guys, these two angles are equal because they form on the same chord, TC or CT. Y'all see that part? Say yes, say no. Y'all see that part? So CT or TC here is the chord, and it two angles form on the same chord, hence they are equal. You all see that? Then right here, so ATB is a tangent. And we know the angles forming a tangent is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. So the angle formed on a tangent right here, so is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. So this angle equal to this angle. Then two angle here equal. Tell me if you know so me. So this angle right here, so is equal to 35. And so this angle right here will equal to the angle in the alternate segment as well to be 65. I hope you guys are seeing this. And some people that they don't know the theorems, so y'all need to go and know the theorems, guys. I have a video on this as well. If you don't want some explanation about the theorem, them, you go check them out. Guys, you always need to pick up what you know. Yeah. Yes, Zan. Yes, Zan. Yes, Zan. Yes, yes, yes. But you have to know this one first. And because they gave us this one, you could say these two angles are equal. Oh, I never realized that it was that they were asked. Okay, yeah. Again, read the question carefully all the time, right? See, all the time, all the time. Um, alternate segment equal. So, guys, we need to know the theorems, right? And take our time to approach the question. So, always use what you know to find what you don't know. Because and every time you're going to know everything. But you must know something about circle theorem, okay, guys? So, we have to master that. Cool. So, the answer is 35. Any question about that one? I'm going to one. Alright. So can I go to never knew it was that angle? Yeah, right, see. So can I go to the next one now, guys? Can I go to the next question? After the 1 year, me I go know what homework we do. And we're gonna done the live. Cool? So let's go to the next question. Then me I give you one homework we do. And we're gonna done the live. Alright, now I'm hungry, I'm tired. I don't want no cake to eat right now. Food me want. Food I want. Me love the 1 year. I mean I do it. So we have to know about vectors, guys. Have to know about vectors. So once we have vectors, guys, we know we have magnitude and we have direction. This is a rhombus. We know opposite sides are equal and parallel. So miss, when it asks again, it's the angle. You must always give when it asks. Your belly a ball out, mine too. May I tell you? Not really ball out, not ball out loud because me eat some cherry a while ago. So miss when it asks again. Is that angle we must always give. All depends on the angle, right? See, so you have to be careful. It's because you have enough parts to the question. It say you want C, TB. You have to be careful what they're asking you for. Okay? You can't just say all the time you ask the same question. You have to know, pick out which angle they might ask you for. My Wi-Fi is slow again. And that me realize. But know yourself. Miss the 4 circle question answer is C. The 4 circle. What name, sir? Miss 40. Oh, for the circle question. Okay, yes. Yes, beautiful. The answer is C. Yes, yes, yes. What is it? And Susan, my belly full with cake. Okay, I will get cake. Yeah, live same time tomorrow. 4:30 Jamaican time. 5:30 depends on where in the Caribbean. But yeah, same time tomorrow. Live again. Alrighty. John, I'm tired right now, people. I'm hungry, I'm tired. Do the question for me now. So it says a rhombus diagonal intersects at O, which is right here. So AB from A to B is A, and the B to C is B. So AC, you go AB, then you go BC, so it's A plus B. See it right here, so generally saying A with a question mark. What for me she want to answer, God? What for me she want to answer? Me and wonder. Janelle, then say if you go they want OA Janelle. So AC I got the way yeah. Tell me if you can't see the arrow. Let me put the arrow on the paper brighter. And for the live talk and mostly part of me attack. You can believe that? Big old teacher like me. Yeah, no not even business. And my classroom I same thing. My business. Look, John. So AC is going this way, but OA Janelle is going that way. So your direction I go change, Janelle. But OA is still on the line AC. And you know so AC is A plus B. So if you're going this way, Janelle, what's gonna happen to your direction? Susan say this is not sufficient for her. She have to maintain her grace. God. What's maintain her stamina. I hear you. Whatever that mean. So guys, look at it, guys. OA is going this direction, guys. All right. And you know that once you go in the opposite direction, you're going to negate it, right? If they say OA is in the center, that means that here says a half and here says a half. Cool? So it's a half of AC. But you're going in the opposite direction. So it's going to be what? Negative a half of AC. Or you want to say half of CA. Or you want to say half of CA. It's up to you. So guys, half of CA, you're turning this way, so make it negative. Okay? Or you can say a half of AC, negative, you're turning this direction. So you're going to be negative a half. Negative a half of AC, and we found AC here to be A plus B. So see answer right there. So, and the answer is at C. Seems like C, right? It says C. Tell me if you know maths up this, guys. So, Miss, run it back again. I always see this and can't do it. Ken Roy is in the building. Hey, Ken Roy, welcome, welcome. You're late like bug, but guess what? It's better to be here than not. So, guys, it says AC is AB plus BC to give us. So how you get C, right? I mean, want to know too, and just put on C, because when the indoor, you always put C. My manners, right? No, you're good, man. You're good, you're good, you're good. I'm glad to see you come. It's good to see you. It's good to have you here. Bless up yourself. How was it? Me ask about the exam already, Ken, right? How was the exam? How you see the exam? How you view the exam? So, guys, AC is AB plus BC. And because they want OA, and OA is the midpoint of the diagonals. So OA is like a turning backwards. It's like you go back that way here. But remember, say diagonals, they cut in a 2 right here. So the midpoint of the diagonal, cut in a 2 right here. So here so a half, and here so a half. So because we go in this direction, guys, so we're turning back the direction. We're turning back to where we are coming from. We're going back this way. And because a half of the line over here, so it's going to be half of whatever this line is. It's a negative a half of this line. So it's a negative half of AC, which is negative a half A plus B. Right? See, me open up pay attention a while ago. But I'm going to bring something like this tomorrow. But tomorrow, I'm going to talk to you more about finding the ratio of sides and something like that. And tell if you call in here and something like that. Because we don't know if they can bring that on the paper. I don't know. But I'm expose you to that so you can have an idea of what to do when that time comes. So this is the last one. This is the last digga one. And homework 2. So if you all have the answer before you go, maybe me answer the one on your phone, but if you don't have the answer, I'm not giving no answer, I'm going to go and bottle the business. And you hear me I say, yes, please, miss. Yeah, see it here. So tomorrow I'll bring some more on the red. Exam was good, everything you taught us come. Oh, that is so nice. I'm happy to hear that. Happy to hear that. Maybe it didn't come in the same form, but you learn about spear, learn about how to find shaded region, teach you how to find cylinder this, cylinder that. Yeah, I'm happy to hear that, Ken Rai. I'm happy for you. Well done, well done. And as I always say to people, once you do your best, that's all I want to hear, you know? Once you do your best is good enough. Trust me. Universe will do its rest. So do more. Do more on a paper here. Look here, people, I'm tired like puppy right now. I tell you, I'm sit down the whole time. Tired, man. Just imagine me in my class, my heels and all these things, up and down like a Like a police on the floor, like a patrol, me a patrol. No, miss why me always come home tired from work. Oh, yes, guys, I own the time now. If you have the answer, you can tell me answer. Me make you know if you're right or wrong. Tired like puppy. Rice, go away. Thanks again, miss, for your help. Yeah, you're most welcome. You're most welcome, Kenroy. I'm so happy for you all. AOB is B. AOB is B. Okay, Ricey, you should get this one, you know. Because you love talk about base angles. You should get this one, Ricey. Ricey, you have to get the one here. AOB, you have to get it because you love talk about base angles. So, till. So, I'm hoping to see the base angle the right, another one here right now. Let me put on tonight. Can't bother, you know. Dang, man, put on this. Simple match that. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Yeah. When they traffic, a gun running on. Watch your hairstyle. And you just code just up. Zero sting. Miss what them I say night chat here? Come get up long time, you know. What them I say? A miss. A for the first one, Ricey, look on it good again. Look on it good. Then Ricey, I see where your problem lies in. So my name? Nick. Nick said AOB is equal to B. Nick, you are AOB. Okay. So Kenroy is saying help. Is he saying help for the armor correct when right? Okay, alright, my correct when right. So right is a A. Right, see when you get A. If they ask you, remember the base angles are equal. So angle B and angle A can write. Me see I can't write number in the chat. You know, you hear me say? Go delete that. Me no see no base angle there. So tell me see you're blind. Tell me see if you say this one radius up so and this one next one. Tell me see if you see this right see. From the center to the circumference. Tell me see you see it. Kenroy, delete the comment of me please. But Kenroy, not Kenroy. When name again Nick. Delete the comment. With the big girl 112. Delete it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You can see my laugh after me and you can just see my laugh after me. The other one is B. Nick. Two of them are B. The two of them are B. So the angle there. Alright. Somebody say two of them are B, guys. Let me see if the people say it's a B too. So Dinsmore say two of them are B as well. Right? See it here so. And so the homework, so I'm not going to deep on the paper tonight. So see it here. So this angle, guys, and this angle has to be the same thing because OA and OB, they form two radius. And so once these two lengths are the same, we see that they have, they are, right, see? Susan, no. The first one is not A. Guys, let me say it again. AOA and OB form isosceles triangle because the base angles are equal. How we know that these two lengths are the same? Cool? So the base angle are going to be equal. So if here's a 56 angle in a triangle equal to 180. Add up then 2 here and subtract if you get the angle there, right? So if you get the angle over here, so no, which is AOC, angle there over here, so if you know this, angle in a straight line give you 180, so you subtract them and you get something. So Susan get the first part wrong and the last part right. B for the first. Yes, Janelle, B for they are B. Susan, how you get the first part wrong and the last part right? That don't make no sense. Oh, you get 112, Susan. Unless I do angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. Unless I do. And here guys, you know say could that work? Angle at the center and angle at the circumference. This angle here would be twice of this. So if you know this at the circumference, angle at the center of the be around here so. So you can determine that too. Okay, miss. Add both and sub yes, pretty. Yes. B for the second. Yes, Janelle. Alright, people. Boom bang. I eat that. I eat that. Furious of the night. I eat that. Yeah, guys. So you guys did well so far. Anyhow, want to answer the question for yourself today, guys. Trust me. When you're ready for the exam when you come up. I'm telling you that straight. Anyhow, you guys answer the question. Do it, miss, please. No, right? See, me not do none. Do the question, me not do none. I homework this. You think you go home, go do. You're there yard already. Stay home and do something. I might tell auntie. Maybe tell auntie pa you here. Ooh. Now get the last one. So right, see if this angle here is 68. Angle on a straight line equal to 180 degrees. So here so would that be 180 minus whatever they get in here, so it is 68. You stay there. That's what I did for angle this. Okay, very good. But if you know this one, Suzanne, to be 112, and I'm gonna straight line here 180, see you just subtract that. And I shouldn't even not tell you how to do the question because on homework. I shouldn't even not say that to you in the first place, guys. Miss Kennedy, good night and sleep well. Yeah, thank you. I think I'll sleep well tonight. I'm gonna write some more question. I'll look for some question. But yeah, I get it, miss. You better get it. Got that problem between me and you tonight. Miss, I get that now. Okay, very good. So the answer for two of them guys are B. Even though I shouldn't be even telling you guys this because y'all need to be doing this. You know what I'm saying? Y'all need to know how to do these things, guys. So people. I love you all. I always tell you guys, I'm not a joke. But I say I love you, no? I love you, no. Is it me? I love you all. Thank you guys for sticking around with me, for participating, for asking questions, asking for clarification, and not being afraid. I am happy that I'm able to help you all. So, miss, what would be the angle at C? The angle at C wouldn't be anything because there's nothing there to determine an angle from. I see. You could go ahead and find AC, would be the length of the arc, or the length of the arc or so, but you couldn't find the angle at C because there's nothing there. Remember, one angle formed between two line segment, right? See, cool. So unless you go find the length of the arc, then you so, or the upper so, but I couldn't find nothing at C because C don't have nothing there. So guys, thank you for taking the time out to help us, miss. Bless you. Yeah, bless you too. I'm happy to do that. I am happy doing this, girl. I'm telling you. Thanks for the help, miss. We'll join you again tomorrow. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. So take care, guys. And I said thank you for sticking around. Most welcome, Janelle. If you need help, guys, you can reach out to me on Instagram. Follow me, Alisa Kennedy. On Facebook, the same thing, Alisa Kennedy. Look for the picture that is on my YouTube. What do you call that now? I don't know. YouTube picture something. I don't know what you call that, guys. But yeah. Look for that picture. If you're going on Facebook, you'll see me there as well. It was good to have you guys. I had fun teaching y'all. So I will see you guys tomorrow, 4:30 Jamaican time. And if you're in other Caribbean countries, it's going to be 5:30 for you. Don't let the bugs bite. No, maybe not no bug in it, you know. Unless the powder go bite me and powder can't bite nobody. Well, have a good night, guys. I'll talk to you all tomorrow. Love you guys. Bye-bye.